Hello, people. Let me just go live on the app. Moment. There is always one procedure to follow. Copy, paste, broadcast is Yash. And be like, save. Okay, so here we go. Let's get started. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. My name is Yash, and I am a live stream host over here, taking care of all of your things like whatever you want to ask, what you want to do, whatever you want to learn regarding crypto learning, crypto trading, crypto world, anything. Okay. Now, I am live right now. This is I'm between that I'm live. Okay. Welcome user 861019. Welcome on the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Okay. Now, all those people who have no idea regarding what this live stream is regarding, the YouTube people, the Twitter people, they do not please think that this is a live stream where I'm an independent trader who is coming on the YouTube and just doing the independent trading, like as in like I'm just coming, I give you trades, I do trading online, like a live stream the trading, and then I go home. No, that's not what is happening. But here, this is not a private channel, this is not an independent channel, this is not an independent live trading channel. This channel is regarding the zbit.com. What do you mean by zbit.com? What is zbit.com? Who is zbit.com? Zbit.com is a crypto exchange platform, one of the best beginner friendly platform out there, which allows you to have like welcome user 73527 welcome user 649860. Welcome on the live stream. P. Hi. Hello, user 649860. Welcome on the live streams. Everybody, thank you so much. Pilik, pilik, pilik. What do you mean by pilik? P. You are from Indonesia. Okay. I speak English. Can you please speak English? Because I don't know what you just said. User 649860. My name is Yash. By the way, let's just start with this way. Like whenever you come on this live stream, let's just drop in hi and your name. Because rather than calling you by your username, I would love to call you by your name. What is your name? And what does P click, P slick, PI slick means? PI slick. Something you wrote. I don't understand what you wrote over there. Really, it's like P and there is the ICLIK. I slick. I don't know. Welcome Upendra. Welcome Upendra on the live stream of the zp.com. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much. Everybody, whoever comes on this live stream, make sure to whenever you enter this live stream, drop in a hi, drop in your name and whatever doubt you are having. But do not just come and go, because there are some things which I need to tell you. See, since past 1 week, welcome user 861567. Welcome on the live stream. Where is my video? Okay. So since like yesterday, I have started to notice something and I have already told you about some rewards. Okay, what are those rewards? What I'm going to do, every of those things. I am gonna like give you some giveaways, maybe some USDTs, maybe some offers, maybe some rewards. I don't know what I'm going to offer you. This will be like a surprise. It won't be the same thing for everybody. It will be same. It will be might it change every week. It might change everywhere. Okay, but what do you have to do for earning that rewards, earning that offers, earning those free USDTs? What you need to do is be active on the live stream. Now, what do you mean by being active on the live stream? Whenever you come, drop in hi, your name, be active on the chat, and you can see there are two functions of this live stream. One is deposit slash recharge, and another one is take a trade. I want everybody of this live stream, people, whoever comes on this live stream, they need to use those features rather than doing deposit from the home page, because it's the same thing. Okay, if you deposit from the live stream function as well, you will be receiving the same procedure, same everything. It's not that difference. But if you use the live stream functions, you will be counted as the most active, one of the most active members of the live stream. And I can give like weekly, I will notice people. If you are very active on this live stream, I will give away free rewards, free offers, or maybe some free USDTs. I don't know. I will decide. Like every week, there might be something different, something surprise. You will be getting some surprise giveaways. You will be having. Okay, that is all very sure. But what do you need to do with it? You need to use every functions of the live stream. You do not leave anyone. You have to comment. You have to be active on the comment section. I'm not saying that be here for 4 hours, complete 4 hours. No, that's not what I'm talking about. But at least whenever you come, drop a text, say your name, ask anything, ask any doubt. Because see, I get it. Like this is a very new world. Crypto is a very new world. It's not an old world. This is very new. Everybody is like in that scenario, like where what else we can have. And anything which is new, people always have a lots and lots of questions, and lots of doubts, a lots of things which they want to understand regarding those. So please, I know, I get it, like crypto is new for you, so please feel free to ask me anything, whatever you feel. The more you be active on this live stream, the more you use the features. Using features is very important. Doing deposit, clicking on the deposit slash recharge feature is very important. Because see, I get it, like if you have sufficient balance to trade, nobody's asking you to forcefully asking you to do the deposit. But whenever you feel need of doing a deposit, do it from only live stream functions, so that you can have a very awesome giveaways every week. Every top four, top five people I'll be selecting who are the most and you don't think that I cannot see. I cannot actually see. See, till right now, 0.17 people has came. Out of those, 13 people were the genuine, and more four people were just who coming and going. From there is one person who clicked on the recharge and two-person clicked on the trading. Six user 656691 is there on the live stream since 2 minutes and 22 seconds. One person just came and left. I can see everything over, like whole data is in front of me. Okay, so it's not like I cannot see it. Okay, so I'm watching you all people, and I will be taking the my like most, I won't say favorite people, but the most active. The most active peoples are my favorite people. Okay, so I'll be picking up those people. Hi, hello user 656691. Hi, welcome on this live stream. Thank you so much for joining. You are watching me since almost 3 minutes now. Welcome user 147317. Welcome on the live stream. You are from Indonesia. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for being a part. Please make sure that you are clearing every doubt of your. This live stream is regarding that. This is not just like you come, you watch me, and you go. That's not. I'm not a model. I'm not anything. Okay, so just watch me or something. Just make sure that you're clearing your doubt. Anything, any issues you might be having. You might be not knowing some features of Zbit. There are some also some things which I want to tell you as well. There are some new commission slabs which have came, which you are not maybe aware of. So please, there are two major updates on the Zbit app at right now position. One is the referral commission, which you can earn up to 50% of commission you can earn through the referral links. Like the more you invite people on this app, the more good benefits, the more good 50%, up to 50% of commission you can earn. And the second thing is that we have recently introduced one AI bot. It's a quant bot which helps you to identify more and more of trendy coins every last hour. Like whatever coin was trending in the last hour, he will notify you all those coins so that you can check out and you can trade in those. And because this is the most common question we have, which coin to trade in, which is that most trendy coin, which is that coin which is having a nice volatility, where people are coming in, people are doing trading and every of those things, which are those coins, right? So those are those coins where you can pick that AI bot which can help you to understand and give you the most trendy coins at in the last hours. That's all. Okay. So these are the two major updates. One is a commission slab thing. You can earn up to 50% of commission by referring to your maybe family, friend, colleague, or random person. I don't know, whoever comes through your invite link. That's what matter. We don't ask like who are you relative, are you friend, and blah. We won't ask. You got it on this app, he registered through your invite link, and that's it. That's all it will take to get a more extra money from us. Like we Zebit people have a very big heart in giving rewards. We don't like step back in, or we don't even think for a minute to give or appreciate. User 890499 says NJKJK. Nothing, just kidding, just kidding, I guess. Nothing, just kidding, just kidding. Why you said nothing, just kidding, just kidding? Okay, it's fine. So, like I was talking about this, like Zebra is have a very big heart in rewards. So if we are giving you such good chances to earn a such good amount of money, then why step back where you can earn free money? See, you can we give you option of trading as well. You can earn from trading, you have earned from the rewards. Now we are giving commission slab as well, and we are also introduced an AI bot which can give you the trendy coins with which if you trade on those coins, maybe you can earn a lot of good amount of profit. So where else we are? Welcome, Maria. 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 Yes. I don't know. Maria. I'll call Maria. Okay, Maria left. Hi. Welcome, user 75932 at hi. My name is Yash. May I also know your name? I would really love to know what's your name. Today I'm feeling a little bit more okay than yesterday. Every day I'm feeling okay. Okay, and that's good. I'm almost there for the full recovery. Now, for all those people who don't know, the people who are watching me from YouTube, the people I'm talking to, all of you, the people who are watching me from YouTube, people who are watching me from the Zbit app, sorry, X platform, not Zbit app. Zbit app knows what Zbit is. But the people who are watching me from Twitter, the people who are watching me from the YouTube app, I want to tell you this one thing, that what Zbit is about. Zbit is a crypto exchange platform, same like any other platform, but a little better. The other platform like Binance, OKYX, OKBybit, and blah blah Bybit and something. I don't know. There are so many of those coins, SP500 and Capital.com. There are so many other accounts, other platforms which offer the same things, like to give you a chance to be step into the crypto world and start earning a lot of good amount in the crypto world, because that's what is going on right now. Crypto is in trend. You cannot deny it. You cannot just, yeah, you cannot disagree on that. It is a true fact that yes, cryptocurrencies are in the trend more than anything, like more than stock, more than indices, more than commodities, more than even the safest asset, which is gold trading. People are focusing on the crypto because that's what giving them the real money, that they are making unimaginable money through the crypto, because this is not the normal currency, this is not the traditional currency you're trading in. This cryptocurrency is a digital currency. This is not the normal traditional currency you spend or you do the exchange. This is not USA dollar, this is not Indian island, this is not Russian ruble, this is not Chinese yuan, something, I don't know. So this is not those things. Okay, this is not those things. This is a digital currency, which is a new currency which has came. Like you can say that this is a new phase of a currency, and that too, this currency has got freedom. Freedom from who? Freedom from the government, freedom from the banking system. Because yes, yes, banking system is was a very thoughtful way of stealing money, very legally, like legit legally. Like it's happening in front of you, in front of government, but nobody can see like what the scam is it, how they are earning so much money, just not by doing anything, just by eating up our money, just by stealing up our money, and so much and so much and so much. So to eradicate this chain, this unsaid chain which we are having, which is tying up the money, which is controlling, like in terms of like printing them, in terms of the value, in terms of the rate, every of those things they were tied up. But now digital currency is not like that. Digital currency is every single currency which is inside a cryptocurrency. Basically, from your Bitcoin to the meme coin. Yes, even the meme coins are digital currency, but meme coins don't have the financial value. They can make you earn money, but they don't have a financial value, as in you cannot go in some shops and say that I have a meme coin, can I purchase XYZ thing. They won't allow you, because it the it's the rules and regulations have made it very clear that meme coins have nothing to do with finance. They are just made for the like you can say show off. No, not show off, it's like collective things. They are made for collective, like non fungible tokens, NFTs, collectibles, all those kind of stuff. Welcome user 9789864 on the live stream of zibit.co. My name is Yash and I am a live stream host over here. Okay, now, as like I was telling your people that the money got a new face. Now this new face had so much and so much attention. From who? From you? No. From me? No. From the rest of the world? No. Only and only to the rich people. Because you agree it or you disagree it, rich people are the one who has a lot of use, a lot of like anything whatever they process, anything whatever they buy, anything whatever they have to deal with, they need so much and so much money transaction. And banking system, government, they knew it, and that's why they were the most who were suffering through any of transactions and all those things, by paying hefty amount of tax and all of the stuffs. Now when they got to know that there is one currency which has no there is no control of a government on it, and that's where the things went south. Not south, that's where the things went actually the north, as much as up it could go. Every of those rich, like you can say corporate people, you can say billionaires, you can say those richest people in the world, they all limit withdraw, bro. In what limit withdraw you want to know? USDT limit withdrawal is 4 USDT. If you want to withdraw USDT, it is 4. And where do you know, you can actually know what is the limit and every of those things. Whenever you are trying to do the withdraw, whenever you're trying to do the withdraw, you will see something like this. There will be one greater than equal to symbol, and there will be one random number, like maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 2, maybe 10, maybe 20 or something, random number before you put your number on that withdrawal box. This is the withdrawal box where you will put your this thing, where you will put your number amount, like this much is the money which I want to withdraw. If you don't type anything over here, you see some kind of this symbol greater than equal to something number, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, something like this you'll see. And that number is actually the minimum amount which you can withdraw. USDT is 4 because the transfer fee will take 1 from you and give 3 to you. Okay, if you withdraw 4, 1 goes to the transaction fees and 3 goes into your account. Okay, so minimum is that. Welcome. Hello, Tylana. Welcome. How are you? I hope that you have done your KYC. I was saying KFC. Why I was saying KFC? Okay, I think you have done your KYC. Tylana. Hello. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much. I mean, I got happy by looking at you, by watching your comments. Thank you so much for joining. By the way, really appreciate it. So, people, Thailand, have you done your KYC? Is your KYC done? And are you and people who are joining this live stream, if you haven't done deposit, do the deposit only and only from the live stream function to get a good rewards, good free giveaways. Can be anything, can be exactly anything. It can be USDTs, it can be some offers, it can be some reward, it can be anything. It's a surprise thing. So please make sure whenever you do a deposit, you need to do a deposit from the live stream function only. Welcome user 274345. Welcome on the live stream. Welcome um, on the Zebra live stream. Okay, like I was talking about some things. Okay, thanks for teaching me. I've done my KYC. Good, good. You're done with KYC. Now can you use your 20 USDT bonus? Dial can you use it now? I hope after doing KYC that using option has been there, like you can use it. And I told you earlier as well, please use that 20 USDT before you deposit anything again. But yeah, yes, good, Kala, good. Take a good. Again, my video is going, my video is coming, my video is going. What's going? What's wrong? It is happening. My video comes, then it lags, then it vanishes, then it comes, it lags, and now it's normal. I don't understand how. Okay, so welcome user 406062. Welcome user 794534. Everybody, whenever you come on the live stream, just drop and hi, because like I said to you, everybody, I'm again repeating it. I have decided to give you giveaways. The most active people are going to get giveaways. Okay, so please make sure that you are active. Make sure you are using the functions of live stream. What are the functions of live stream? Two: deposit and take a trade. These are the two functions which you can see in the bottom of this live stream. Okay. Coming back to the point now, crypto got a whole attention of the most richest people, because see, richest people have two mentality. Either first thing is, if there is something very new into the market, they need to get in hand of first, because they have money, they want to just have the most latest thing of any. It can be product, it can be car, it can be building, it can be anything. They just want to get in hold of the most new thing. And now cryptocurrency got hold of them. They got an eye stuck on the cryptocurrency because there are some millions of reasons for them. First is that they don't have to pay a heavy amount of taxes on any of those things. They can actually use this currency in rather than using the normal traditional way of currency, which was eating up a lot of the taxes, a lot of the services, and blah blah blah, kind of people to the bank, to the government, and every of those things. Now they have got into the cryptocurrency, which is more valuable. Plus, at the same point, from being the more valuable, they are also like not in the control of the government. You can do as much as transaction which you can do as much as you can send it across whole world. It doesn't have any boundaries. Cryptocurrency is connecting the whole global together. You don't have to do money exchange, you don't have to do that kind of stuff. You can connect to the whole global from one center of the blockchain system, eradicating the middleman. We used to have the bank, the government, every of those things, eradicating the middleman. And that's what the big richer people needed. That's why they flowed so much and so much and so much of money into the market, into the Bitcoin. Now, why Bitcoin price is so high, like 105, and how it can fall? Thank you for teaching me. Just this morning, I just make a money. It's all because of you. Thank you so much. Hi, Lana. Come on, bro. Come on. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for appreciating this. And just don't thank me. Just be on this live stream, and I will help you in understanding more and more and more and more. Okay. But really appreciate. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. And so this, I just made money. How much money did you made? Thala, come on, share some, yeah, share some details of how much money did you made, bro? Like, can you buy the yachts now? Are you ready to get your Lambo now? Just kidding. Okay, just making fun of it. Nothing else. Okay, don't take it seriously. So, all those people, all those rich people, they started investing into the cryptocurrency not for gaining profit from it. They don't want profit. They just want a hold of one currency. Same like, see, if there is a lot of gold in the market, they people buy gold for what? Either this is one is for backing up the backbone of financial, like whenever we get any crisis, we can sell it and we can have a good amount of profit, which can help us in financial crisis. But crypto is not like that. Crypto is just like any other currency. This is not a gold, this is not a diamond, this is not a natural element which is found on the earth. This is a made up thing. People made it, and this is a currency. Now, a one currency which is more valuable than any other currency in the whole world. And that too because of one and one very specific thing, because of the money is what is stacked inside the crypto market. All this currency, like especially Bitcoin, they're having such a huge value. Why? Because the money is stacked. Money is stacked. People, those rich people invested and they left. They just want to get hold of that cryptocurrencies XYZ. It can be 1,000 Bitcoin, 1 lakh Bitcoin, any of those Bitcoin. They just want to get hold of it. They don't want to sell it. They want to use it for transaction because that can help them more in the business way, in the transaction way, in the trading way, or in any other way. Not trading as in this trading as in like that import, export, or all those kind of stuff. I will give you one example for that. Okay. Seg 2 and I pay my rent. You pay your rent, that much money you got from the market. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Really, that's crazy. That's crazy, Talama. Appreciate it, bro. That's really nice. I'm really happy for you. Kudos to you, brother. Kudos to you. And I pay my rent. Nice. You got that much money and you paid your rent. Nice. 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 Let's have more and more and more. Let's not wait on that journey. Let's not wait for more. Like now I have got my profit and now I have to wait. Now I have to do. Nah, let's not wait. Let's keep going and let's keep earning good and good and good amount of profits. Let's go. Now, those people, they want to get hold of this currency because that's the currency which can give them more benefits than any other traditional way of the currency. Understood? Why corporate people are buying so much and so much of Bitcoin, Ethereum? See, I get it. There are so many cryptocurrency, but people are focusing mainly on two: Bitcoin and Ethereum. Because stable coin, people will not invest in some coin which can fall until unless those coin become a stable coin. But truly, uh, those people, they won't say that in which coin they're investing. But I will tell you one website which can help you track all of those whales in the market, every of those single whales in the market, what they are buying, how much are they buying, what amount are they buying, when did they buy. It is called a gngm.io. This is the website. See, this website might not be opening in like your Google Chrome or something. So if it's not opening, then use VPN to access this website. Okay. If it's not opening normally, then use VPN to access it. If it's opening normally, good for you. This website tracks all the whales in the market. That's why I'm focusing on today, the whales of the market, because those are the people who have pushed the Bitcoin market price this much. The time, and to be very fair, this is a very blunt honesty I'm giving to you. The time those people take away all their investment which they have put into the Bitcoin market, that's the time when Bitcoin will crash to $1 or $2. $1 or $2. Trust me, because this value is holding, the value is holding the 100K level of the value is holding. Why? Because of the money which is in the bottom, which is supporting it. The more money they take out, which they have given, the more the Bitcoin will fall out. Are you getting my point? The Bitcoin is standing tall only and only because of the whales. They have the whole, they can say they have the whole authority to make it rise, to make it fall, because they have the money. Now, where a currency which doesn't have a control of the government, now the hard reality hits. If a country is not governed by the government, then who has the maximum control? You have a freedom, but who has the maximum control? The rich people. The money has the maximum control. It's the same way which used to be like in the back period of a time, where if there is one city, one village, and in that village, if there is one rich guy, the most richest guy in that village, he has a lot of like majority of in authority, the orders and blah blah thing. Now those things have applied in the cryptocurrencies, because not governed, not controlled. So now who will take over? The rich people will take over. And that's what happened. The rich people took over and they are stacked their money into it. But these rich people are actually helpful for us. Why? When we invest in the market never ever moves even a little bit, because our money is very shit. Like, do you really believe that your 20, 30, 40 USDT is going to have any impact on a market which is sitting on trillion? Trillion is the market cap of a Bitcoin, and the crypto, the overall crypto market is too much. But in Bitcoin, it's sitting on trillion. Do you think a trillion can budge with the 10 USDT, 20 USDT, even 1,000, even 10,000 USDT? It won't budge. So whenever those people make a very good investment, because they invest in millions and billions of dollars, when they invest in the millions and billions of dollars, that's the point when we see any kind of momentum. Either they take out the money or either they put the money. The best thing is that we do future trading. Future trading can help you. See, if you are a spot trader, then yes, if the market falls down, that's a very bad signal for you if you have already bought a thing, right? But at the same point, when this crypto market is like, for example, if you are doing a future trading, even if the market falls, you can take a sell trade and earn a good amount of money. Even if the market goes up, you can still take a trade and you can earn a good amount of money. You don't have, in a future trading, you don't have such things like, oh, market fall, I will have loss. No, even market is falling, I can take a profit. Even the market is going up, I can take the profit. That's what a future market gives us, an opportunity to gain a profit from both sides. And this is that website, gngm.io, which has tracking, which is currently like, it's like even right now while I'm speaking, there might be some big player who is investing in those coin as well, which we don't know the name of. Like maybe those coins are sitting at what, $0, 0.00, $1, $2, 3, 4, 5, 10, maybe, who knows what. It tracks every of those coins and tells you how much quantity has been bought, by what time it has been bought, XYZ. Like it will also tell you like if at the certain coins, like for example, let's say Solana, for example, let's say for example Solana, who is that whale who is having the most of the Solana, who is buying the recent one, how much Solana is buying, and they don't track the small orders. Okay, gngm.io, this website only tracks a big order, and that's what we need to find. Big orders to take the maximum profit out of the market. Okay, you and me, retailers, have a different mentality. Rich people have a different mentality. We have a mentality that we need to survive, we need to take the profit today. I need money today from the market. That is what we think. What they think is they have already money. They, for them, it is just an investment that they put their money and they forget it, because they don't need the money out of the crypto market, but they do need the Bitcoin, Ethereum, or those coins, because they know this one thing: Bitcoin is better than USDT, better than USD, like dollar, better than ruble, better than INR, better than any of those coins which is out there. If for example I was giving you one example of the cryptocurrency which we don't realize it, as a retailer you don't realize it, I don't realize it, or any other people don't realize it, but one news came. Do you remember when there was a war situation going on between Russia and Ukraine? And at that time a lot of major companies, major products, major corporate, major all of those things were boycotting Russia, that we don't want to deal anything with them, they are actually doing a very unhuman thing, why they are doing this, blah 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 situation. Now we don't have any opinion, I cannot give any opinion because it's a president to president thing, he's handling a country, my opinion won't even matter to them. Now in that situation when all of the people were trying to just boycott Russia, like we won't give them trades, we won't give them supplies, we won't give them blah 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 blah, but at the time still that guy needs to run the country, right? Major banks which makes the international trades, not the R bank we just transfer 100 rupee to friend and then friend transfer me 1000 rupee, not those things. A major international banks are there which does the dealing in trillions, millions or billions between countries, like country trades, some oil trade, some food trade, some or whatever trade is going on between the country to country. There are major banks which allows these trades. If there is, if that's not the middle person, then such huge amount of trillion and billion amount of money cannot be transferred via any other bank other than those international bank. Now in this way, you will understand how useful, how powerful a cryptocurrency is. When Russia got boycotted by those international banks for any transaction, that we won't do your transaction because you are not doing a very humanly thing or whatever they were doing. In that way, Russia was the first ever country to trade, like the country trade I'm talking about, not the personal trade that I just went and bought a Lambo with my Bitcoin. No, not that kind of stuff. Russia was the first country to use Bitcoin for their international trades, for food, for whatever the daily necessity thing which they need to run the country. So in that way, a government overthrew the whole rules, the banking system, the middle person. They thought like if we are not there, he cannot make the investment, he cannot make the trade. But it was possible. When we spin the reward, we got Pepe card. How we will use that reward, sir? So if you got Pepe, see, you have four options over. No, actually two options over here. Either you keep it safe, Tylana, that you got Pepe, 1,000 Pepe cards you got. Okay, so there are two options for you. Either you keep it safe till the time there is some very good price hike of that Pepe coin, or you can sell it. Or third option is that you can trade Pepe as well. Like in that Pepe coin, whenever you go to the Pepe, you already have 1,000 Pepe tokens, so you can do the spot trading. You can do the spot other kind of like spot buy, spot sell. You can do it, but my suggestion is like wait for like keep those coins because you are not going anywhere. This is just a start of your journey for the cryptocurrency. Maybe Pepe might have a very good hike in the price, maybe in the future, so keep a hold of it because I don't think so you have very urgent need of selling anything. And even if you right now sell it, you won't get that much amount of money from it. My suggestion, keep it with you. It will be there until and unless you are in the until unless you are in the Zbit and you are have not deleted your account or something like that. It will stay there safe. Nobody's gonna do anything to that. You make it safe. Let's see the price hike in the Pepe, and then you make and sell it. Then you make and like do whatever you want to do. But yes, you can use it in whatever way. You can use it in a spot trading. You want to use it in a future trading. You want to use. You can trade with that. You want to exchange for the usage. You can do that as well. Or you can just, I my suggestion, keep it safe until unless those point comes where we see a very good price hike of a Pepe. Okay, just keep it. That's all. Just keep it. So again, coming back to the topic, welcome user 353445. Welcome on this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this event. So those Russia people, they use the cryptocurrency as a transaction. Now that was the major point of the cryptocurrency, to have more strong buyers at that point, because that People, all those people saw, like, even if there is not a middle person, even if there is no government supporting me, I still can do and complete the trade, and they cannot say anything because they are not in the power of the cryptocurrency. That how powerful a cryptocurrency is. This website tracks all the whales for you, all those people who are buying in a huge quantity, because they know it, how powerful it is. We know it for just like money. Like, I know, okay, like if I invest, maybe I can get a good amount of investment, I can good amount of reward, I can good amount of profit. That's all we do and think. But those people, they are way ahead of us. They don't think this currency as just like a profitable item or something, like I'll keep it and I'll sell it, I'll keep it and then I'll sell it, I'll keep it, I'll sell it. No, for them, it's actual currency. And it is an actual currency. This is not fact. Like, do not consider it as it's like a fake currency. It has no use or something like that. No. We don't use it in a day-to-day life, but trust me, Bitcoin has been used, is been using currently as well, has been using in so much huge quantity, which we don't know regarding. Just imagine a corporate person who is sitting at the corporate, who has to deal by who has a deal of like million billions of dollar, and that million billions of dollars deal, rather than sending $1 million, he can just share maybe 10 Bitcoin or maybe 5 Bitcoin, and the deal is done. That is a power, and that too without any paying taxes, without having any middle person services or anything. The banking people, like, people don't know regarding this, but I will tell you these things. The bank earns more money than government, and that too completely for free of cost. It's same, like, see, have you seen those free websites, free blogs, free websites, free news articles which you see on the website, like completely free of course? You can go, you can see, you can read, you can take the information. But do you think that they are really free, that there are some NGOs who are providing information for completely free of cost, and they don't take any money from us? No. The more you stay on their website, the more they generate the money, even without you knowing it. The more you stay on that website, the more you use their website, the more people are coming on this website, that generates more money without even paying anything. We didn't pay anything. We just went there. We just saw and we came back, and that gave them money. Same exactly way. If you are ever like any of those banking systems, like if you use any of those services of the bank, even if you feel like I transferred 100 to you and you received 100, there is no money deduction in between, but still, for using the services, they generate some amount of money through it, which you will be shocked, because a bank, a normal to normal bank, in a yearly wise earns, like, not every bank, to be very fair, like the major ones, earns more than 500 to 100 crore in a year, just by using people's money just for the transaction things, or when they pick all of our money, put it into some stock or some other market safe, and they earn huge amount of money, and they give us small interest. Why they give us interest? For just free money, just for keeping our money into their locker, they give us interest. You should think. No, no, no. Welcome user 455869. Thank you so much for joining. 20 USDT, how to trade, kahan kare? Okay, the 20 USDT which you got is a bonus. First, do not deposit any money right now. If you deposit any money before using this 20 USDT, that 20 USDT will be gone. Okay, so do not deposit before using that 20 USDT. Now, where to use it? You have to use it only and only into the future trading. You cannot use it in a spot. You can use it for future trades. Like, 1 second, I will give you. Where is it? Zibit. Can you see this trade option? You will see this is the trade. In that, there are two options. One is spot trading, one is future trading. Click on this future trading. You will see that 20 USD is somewhere over here. Okay. Now you have n number of coins. Like, these are all the coins which you can trade. Like, can you see all? These are the coins which you can use that 20 USD to take the trade. Okay. And I'll tell you some do's and some don'ts, because then without even knowing, then you might take the trade and then it might go wrong as well. Okay, so what are the do's and don'ts? First thing, it is only applicable for first trade. I'll repeat myself, it is only and only applicable for first trade, not the second trade, not the third trade, only for first. What do you mean by only for first? That, for example, some people have this mentality that I have 20 USDT. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take 10 into the market. I will put 10 USDT into the market for trade, and the rest of the 10 I will keep it for the next trade. That is not going to happen. You have got 20 USDT to use on a single trade, one trade, not for second, not for third, only for single first trade. So you have to use complete 20 in one trade. If you do not, that rest, like if you do this way, like I will use 10 right now and I will use the 10 later. Can you say the difference between future and spot? Why not? Why not, Tylana? I will share. Just let me just complete that 20 USD do's and don'ts. And Tylana, I will give you the difference between future and spot. Okay. Now, you have to use the whole 20 in one go. Okay, that is one condition. Second thing, whatever profit you gain from it, because that is we gave you the bonus. Okay, whatever profit you earn, let's say you got 5 USDT, uh, 5, let's say you got 5 USDT, 10 USDT, 15, 30, 20, whatever USDT profit you got, whatever it is, with that profit is completely 100% yours. We don't want any share from it. It is completely and completely your profit. But what, let's say you got loss, that 20 you invested, and let's say the trade went wrong. The trade went wrong. It's okay, and it's totally okay, because it was a first trade. You, I'm just here to gain experience, so please, first trade goes wrong, that is completely fine. Whatever loss you are having, that whole 20 is gone, from 2010 is gone, whatever loss is it, we will take care of it. You don't have to pay anything to us. That 20 you used, had a loss, totally fine. Next trade, you have to do the deposit and you have to take a trade. But for that 20 loss, you don't have to pay anything. Nothing you have to pay to us. Loss is ours, profit is completely yours. Okay. Now, other thing, do not consider after gaining, let's say, example that you got a profit 20 you had, like which we gave as a bonus, 20 we gave as a bonus, and then there is 10 USDT profit. Imagine that there is a 10 USDT profit. Now that 10 USDT profit plus this 20 will become what, 30. You will think like I got 10 USDT profit, 20 was my investment, they both should come into my wallet as a 30 USDT. No, it won't be like that. It won't be 30 USDT, it will be only 10 USDT, the profit you earned. The rest 20, which was our investment, will be gone from the market. You won't able to see into the available balance. And do not think that somebody ate our money. That was never your money. It was our investment which we offered to you as a first trade. Once the trade is ended, that 20 USDT will be gone from the account. Remaining whatever profit you earned will stay in the balance. Profit will stay, investment will go. Okay, I am new. First I got 24 USDT, but few hours later it was 27 USDT. Lucky you. You don't have to be like okay, 0.27 USDT. So you have total of like 24.27 USDT right now. And if you got it, do not tell it's the people. It's lucky you who got it. It might be some glitch in the app who like just gave you free USDT. Who knows? So if you got it, just enjoy. Don't say it out loud so that people will inquire in your account what happened and they will take it back as well. If you got it, just enjoy. Just enjoy. You are new over here. Did you got the 20 USDT bonus? 20 USDT bonus. And let me tell you this again thing. Do not deposit before using that 20 USDT. If you deposit, Yeah, if you deposit before using that 20 USDT, that 20 USDT will be gone from the market, because we will believe that yes, that person has a money, he doesn't need our investment, he can make his own investment. It vanished. See, see, I said to you, don't never say such things out loud. Never say such things out loud. These are not the good things to say out loud. Okay, now Tylana, you asked me what is the difference between spot and what is the difference between future. Very simple, I will explain you. Okay, now future is give and take, a simple give and take relationship. If I have, like, for example, let's say a market has 100 coins. Let's say there is a whole market XYZ coin. Let's say ZBit is a coin. Okay, for example, we are just explaining as an example. Okay, I will explain you in the chart so that with a drawing you can understand much more better. Okay, let's delete everything. Let's imagine that this is a market. It's a spot. Bro, you, we hacker you. No, I'm not a hacker. I'm just saying, like, there are people who watch this live stream from our team as well. If they see such anomaly, they will come to they will like inspect your account, like why he got free USDT, and they will take that USDT back as well. So if you got it, never say it out loud that you got it. Okay, like at the same time when I'm live streaming, there are other people, customer service people as well, who are watching these live streams to check on those, like if you are having any issues, any other issues or whatever it is. Okay, so like you said, like you got it, and then boom, it is gone as well, because they saw it and they might have inspected it. That's what I said. When you, if you receive, if you, like, it's the same thing. If I walk and I get a bag of full of cash, I will never tell it to anybody that I got it. It was just $20. That 20 USD is gone, or the extra ones are gone. You are saying that user 865595, you are saying that the 20 USDT bonus is gone from the market, from go, sorry, not market, so gone from your account, right? Say yes if that 20 USDT is gone, and say no if just the extra one which you got is gone. Talana, we stay there. Okay, I'll explain you. Yeah, did you deposited before using that 20 USDT? Because I just said to you, if you deposit any amount of money, even if it's 1 USDT, you deposit before using that 20 USDT bonus, that bonus will go away. Okay, I am new to this platform. Welcome, welcome on the Zbit. My name is Yash, and no, I didn't. You didn't deposit till now, but still that is gone from the market. That still that money, that 20 USD free money is gone from the market, from your account. Okay, user 865595. I want you to write one sentence. Sentence as in what happened with you. You received, right? Like if you have, like I'll repeat, yes, gone. I will repeat some things. I want you to type that thing as a sentence, because it's like break things, and you are just responding yeah, no, no, I didn't, and blah blah blah. So I'm not getting it completely. So write in a complete sentence like, yes, I got the 20 USD bonus. I never used it, and it got vanished without any reasons, without me depositing a single amount, without me using that 20 USDT. It is gone from the my balance. Is it like that, that you never used it? never deposited anything before using it, but still that 20 USDT bonus is gone. If it's like that, I will help you to get back that 20 USDT for you. Okay, I will inspect into this. I will look into your account, what went wrong, why the 20 USDT is not there, and blah and blah. Because very similar situation. Now it is 0.27. Okay, so you are saying that it was 20 USDT before, but now the balance shows 0.27. Did you took any trade? Did you took any trade? Any single trade you took? As soon as possible after completing a sign up, I got 24 USDT, and after few hours of it, it vanished. Now it is 0.27 USDT. Okay. Can you share me your UID? UID will be somewhere here. I will tell you where is UID. I will give you your 20 USDT back. Okay. Do not worry on that. I will give you 20 USDT back. See, when you log into this, now somewhere over here, there is one guy emoji. And if you click on that guy emoji, you will see your UID, unique ID. Just give me that UID and I will take your issues. I will drop to those people and they will look into your issues and they will get back your 20 USD only if you never took a trade, you never done a deposit, and you never used that 20 USD. If all these three things matches, you will receive that 20 USD. If these three things doesn't match, if any one of those, like if you may have used it in taking a trade or you may have deposited already, then it might not be returned to you. But if you never took a trade, you never deposited anything, then surely I will give it back to you. Okay, so just share me, just drop your UID thing and I will help you. Just drop me your UID thing. Sorry, Talana. And thank you so much for being over here. Okay. Thank you so much. Appreciate your time. So, till that time, the guy comes and shares UID. See, spot market. What is spot market? Let's example that there is a coin called Zbit. For example, okay. Let's say, for example, that there is a coin of Zbit. That guy came. That's your UID. Okay. One second. Let me share it. Dun, 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 dun. Hmm. Mhm, mhm, mhm. No, sorry for interruption. No worries. I am just giving your things, your UID. Can you also tell me your name, please? User 865595. Can you share me your name? I'm transferring your issues to the management upper thing. 8647 101098647. Please share me your name as well. What is your name? What's your name? What's your name? नाम क्या है? काम क्या है? Share क्या है? User. Is it safe to say my? Who is gonna do what with your name? Like, is it safe to say your name? Like, what is gonna happen with your name? Karma is your name. Karma is your name. And you're saying that your name is safe or what? Your name itself is karma, bro. Karma then zong. And it is safe. Nobody can do anything with a name. Like, what are they going to do? Like, hey, this is karma speaking. What are they going to do? They're going to do nothing. User did the sign up, received 24 USDT, and after few hours, karma really, why man? Lol. Exactly, bro. Your name itself is karma. What wrong can happen to you? You are happening to every other people, bro. Are you a miso? Yeah, no, no, have a chat. No, it's not sorry. I'm just having fun. Don't say sorry and everything. User data sign up, basically for USDT, and after a few hours, it got vanished and just 0.27 USDT remained. He never deposited. Never deposited. Never took single trade. TMI. His name is Karma. Okay, I have uh, I have raised a question. They will contact you as soon as possible. They will look first. They will look into your account. They will see what's wrong in your account, what happened, and blah blah blah. Situation, and if they will give me one response, if like nothing can happen, they will give me a response. If something can happen, then they will contact you. Yes, sir. Yes, your real name is Karma. Karma. Okay, so they will either, if it's a small situation, like you have to do some very small adjustment, they will tell me over here and I will inform you that. But if it's a little big thing which they need your access or something like that, then they will contact you directly. Okay, do not worry. I've shared your query. They have also responded like we are looking into it. Good, cool. So, Thailand, let's get back to understanding what is the difference between a spot market and what is the difference between a future market. Okay, let's go. Why karma? It's fine. Let it be. Karma, his name is Karma. But it's a cool name to have, like Karma. Like I told you, Karma fucked you. Like that kind of stuff. But it's fine. It's fine. I should not use such language. Live stream. It pops out from my mouth randomly. Have some sense, Rash. Okay, so understanding what is the difference between a spot and what is the difference between a future market. Let's example that this is a spot market. I am from Sikkim. Okay, okay, okay. I am from Mumbai. My name is Yash Pawar and I am from Mumbai. Talana is from Mizo And I don't know where is the other user from. User 353445. Where are you from? Can you also pop up and come into the live stream chat? Like, come on. You are watching me from almost 37.37 minutes. You're already watching me from 37 minutes. I can see it. People from Kinnaur or Spiti have the same name. Ah, nice. Okay. Kinnaur and Spiti have the same name. There are lots of karma walking around. Lots of karmas walking up. So let's get back to the understanding of what is the difference between a spot and the future. First, let's understand the spot. For example, let's say the coin name is Zibit. Example. Let's say there is a coin named Zibit and a total amount of coin we are having for a Zibit is 100. There is 100 coins in the Zibit. 100. That's all. There are just 100. Just for examples that because if I give you big number, it will be very confusing. Let's understand in a very small, it will be very easy for understand. We have a 100 coin. A Zbit has a total amount of coin which is 100. Now those coins are ready to invest to get buy and sell. For example, these are 100 coin. Some people is having 80. No, 80 is too much. Some people is having 20. Some people is having 50. Some people is having 30. Okay. Now understand this thing. Now this is circulating. All the coins of the Zbit. No, let's increase it 200. 200 coin. Now this is 100. What do you mean by 100? That out of 200, 100 coins is in circulation. Someone is buying, someone is selling, someone is buying from, like for example, I am ready to sell 2 Zbit, you are ready to buy 2 Zbit. So transaction has been done. The same coin, one is circulating in the trading, like whenever people are going for I want to do buy, I want to do sell, I want to do buy, I want to do sell. What is happening in that situation? Like we are all together. Imagine this, that we are right now in one ground. Okay, in that one ground, everybody is right now in front of you, rather than being at wherever they are from their laptop right now. Just imagine physically we are at a one ground, and we have that one like a chart or a board, like I want 20, I want 30, I want 40 USDT, like that kind of stuff. Okay, now in that scenario, the people who match, they have the trade. I want to sell 20 Zbit coins. There are a person who is ready to buy 20 USD coin. Boom, matched, the transaction done. Some are getting circulated. Now other thing, which is the rest of the 100, if the people buy more, like for example the 100 which is in circulation, the common one, someone is buying, someone is selling, someone is buying, someone is selling, someone is buying, someone is selling, someone is buying, someone is selling. This is a common circulating coins, and one coin, the 100 coin, will be one which is stacked, which has nobody touched yet, until and unless some big person will come and will buy these coins. Now what is happening in Bitcoin? Whatever is giving is being taken. That's all. There is no extra thing. There is no less thing. The more money gets stacked up, the price may hike up. I'm not talking about the price. I'm just talking about the market. What is happening? I am having 2 iPhone. That person needs 2 iPhone. I give my 2 iPhone to them. Simple transaction done. Price, if it goes up, that is a different scenario, that is a different case. Let's not talk about the price right now. Okay, just what happens in the spot market, a simple to simple transaction, that's all. A simple transaction. Okay, whatever is within that supply, I will give. More money comes, that's why the price goes high. The people, more people go for buy situation, the more they stack their prices inside, the more they stack their prices inside the market, the more they stack their money, the more I invest 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, the price will increase of the Zbit. If it's normal, like people are just doing the normal circulating thing, the price will stay a little constant, like 1.5 $1, $1.5, $1, $1.5, $1, $1.5, that's all. When a big money comes inside the market where there is a rest, can you see there is always a rest stack in the go down? Just imagine there is a go down supply of 100 coins. If some person comes that I want to invest 1 million into Zbit, then this will be used and the price will hack, because more money is inside the market, the greater value is increased. Got it? This is simple spot market, very simple. Like the same way you go into a shop, any gold shop, any store, any supermarket, any DMart, whatever you go, you went, you had needs, they had they had the services, you asked for this, they gave you this, and you went away. Simple. Now I have in my pocket. You can consider same way like physical. If you want to understand, physical spot market is gold. We go to the jewel shop, we ask like, see, my I have this amount of money, I want to buy XYZ amount of, like, let's say I want to buy 2 grams of gold. He will show me the 2 grams of gold which he has. I will pick from this, I will keep it in my pocket, and I will go home. Now this 2 gram is gonna stay with me forever and ever and ever. Until what point? Until that point when I decide to sell this 2 gram of gold to anybody which I feel. Like if there might be some in need. Okay, like same way I went to store for getting 2 grams, there might be another person who is ready to buy 2 grams. Now I don't have to go to store again. I just have to simply put my trade. There will be somebody who is ready to buy 2 gram of gold because I'm ready to sell 2 gram of gold. It will match. It will match. And we will sell. You got it? Spot is very simple. You own it. You have the authority. You have that phone. You have that bill. You have everything that you are owning it. You are the owner. Complete that. You got 20 USDT, 20 Z Bitcoin. That means you are the owner of the 20 Z Bitcoin till that point of your life, till you don't sell it. You have seen this news, like a lot of time in India the news comes like a very old person has bought Tata shares or Reliance shares when it was just 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 30 rupee, and his grand to grandson has found it out and now he's selling it for more than crores and lakh. 1 second, your reply user has not made any report. 1 second, huh? Hmm. Hello, one user 13859. The user Karma who had issues with the USDT. My team has looked into your account and they are saying that you have already taken the trade, but you were saying on the live stream that you never took a trade. Karma, if you are back on the live stream, my team says that you have taken trade already, that you have taken the trade already. I'm not understanding your issue over here. This I know. I'm not saying about this. User has not made any deposit. It's very good. According to what we can see in your account, but I had money in my. Yeah, like yes, you had, like, yes, you had money in your account, but then you took a trade of that whatever 20 USDT. One question, sir. Yes, Talana, yes, you please ask your question. And user 865595 karma, basically karma. You had money. I get it that you had that 20 USDT bonus in your account, but then you took with leverage, was rewarded as a leverage position. This trade will be open for 1 hour and it will automatically close. Yes, but after trade, I had safe 24. At first, you were saying that you never took a trade, and now you are saying that after trade, you had 24 USDT. First, you said that you never took a trade. I asked you very clearly 4 to 5 times that did you took a trade? Did you took a trade? Now you're saying after trade, I had safe $24 in your account. From that 24, you had earned $4 profit. 20 was our investment, right? Let's understand this scenario. Okay, I will. That's why I said please write in a complete sentence, because I was asking you questions and you were just replying yeah, no, I didn't, and blah blah blah. I want you to write in a complete sentence that did you took a trade. Say yes, I took a trade. And Talana, please ask your questions. I will maybe. What do you mean by maybe, Karma? There is no maybe. There is yes or there is a no. How can there be a maybe? If you have taken a trade, after taking a trade, whatever profit will be shown in your account, and rest of that 20 USDT as a bonus will be gone from your account. Okay, because that was an investment. Once you take a trade, automatically that trade will close after 1 hour or 1.30 minutes. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes, that trade will close automatically. Whatever profit you have earned in that 1 hour will be represented, will be shown into your available balance. The rest 20 USD bonus will be gone from the account. I'll repeat again. After the trade is closed, whatever profit you have will be shown into your account, but the rest investment which we gave you as a 20 USDT bonus will be gone from the account. Are you getting my point? Now you are saying that you have just 0.27 USDT. So that means maybe just 0.27 USDT was your profit. Okay. If you have any more doubt, I'm really either I'm helping you here, but just let's be clear. Like whenever I ask you some questions, be honest with it, because I told them that you never took a trade, but they can clearly see that you took a trade. Okay, I got it, but it should show $4 in my account, but it shows 0.27. Yes, because you took a leverage. 20 was given from our side. Yeah, 20 was given from our side, and then you took a leverage on that as well. When you applied for that trade, you took XYZ amount of leverage, right? That extra money, that 24 was the leverage. And then the leverage went, and then the investment went. Whatever is left right now is your profit. It was leverage plus your profit. And after that, the leverage went. Talan, I'm still waiting for your question, brother. What is your question? Wow. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, brother. Appreciate it. No issues. No issues. For any further things, anything you have, please feel free to ask me on the live stream. I'll help you with solving those things. Okay. When we log in, there is like when we log in, there is like a trade, and I click to buy. There is one where our phone number is needed, and when I type my phone number, I got OTP, and it just started a trade by himself. Yes, they give you option, right? Either you go, if either you want to go for a buy or either you want to go for sell. Once you click one of those things, either you pick I want to go for a buy, but it's not like you won't have a time to look at a chart. You will have a time, you can look at the chart at right now point. You can have that whatever coin which is being traded at, you can pick your coin, you can pick your chart, and then he will ask you like whether you want to go for buy or whether you want to go for sell. That's all. If you pick buy, then after that, from that buy point, he will calculate 1 hour. Till 1 hour, either before 1 hour, if you want to close the trade, you can do it. But automatically, he will close the trade by himself in 1 hour. And he will also take all the best, all, and see you soon with billions of dollars. See you soon. See you soon in that Lambo. See you soon in that Porsche. See you soon with lots of people around you. You know which people. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Tylana, whenever you enter in the market, whenever you enter into the market, he will ask you. Uh, yeah, I can see it. Yes, see, karma went. I had a photo of that, like he took a trade thing, like we can see it. Okay. Yes. Mm. Okay. When it Talana is saying when it stopped the trade, we can make profit. Yes, like see, one is like a timer. For example, you saw the market, you saw the chart, and you decided like see, according to the chart, I feel right now a buy position can come, or right now a sell position can come. Okay. Right now, for example, you saw the chart and you saw the coin and you decided like according to what I can see in the coin, I think a buy movement can come. You clicked on that buy, your buy trade has been put, the order has been put for the buy situation at that point itself. Okay, now in that situation, from that point 1 hour will be counted. If you see that you got, like for example, before 1 hour, in half an hour itself you got 10 USDT profit, 20 USDT profit, whatever XYZ profit you got. Okay, you can close the trade by yourself as well, or automatically that trade will be closed after 1 hour of completion. It can stay active only for 1 hour. After 1 hour it will close automatically. If you want to close before that, that also you can do. It's not like you have to wait for 1 hour. No. If you see profit, and whenever you say like my trade is closed, XYZ amount of profit, whatever profit is there, whatever XYZ, even if it's 0.001 or if it's 10000, like if it's 0.01 or if it's 100 or it's 1000, that same profit will be given to you from that place to your account without taking anything in between. When it stop the trade, we can make profit. Yes, you can notice it, no? Like that P and L. You can notice there is one word called P and L. It is called as profit and loss. If in that P and L it is showing in green numbers, that means you are gaining profit. If it showing in a red color, that means you are having a loss. Okay, so in that PNL, if it's showing a green color in whatsoever number, like 1.0 or 2 point this, 3 point that, 0 point this, 20 point this, 20 point this, that is your profit. And you can stop it whenever you feel like I'm satisfied with 2.0, I want to close my trade, that 20 will be gone to your wallet straight without taking anything in between. Okay, cleared? Clear, Tylana? Clear? Once you top this trade, yes, you receive, you can make the profit whenever you want to make, whenever. But in 1 hour, you have 1 hour time span to close that trade. If you don't, it will automatically close by himself. Okay, cool. Now let's understand this one thing. We were talking about the spot market. Like I said to you, yes. Coming back to the spot market, like I said to you, spot market is exactly the same like you going to the physical shop. You went to the gold shop, you bought something, you took it in the hand, and now you are a complete owner of that thing. You have heard that news, like whenever like a very old guy bought Reliance shares in like 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 30 rupee, and his grandson now have found that thing, that he has a proper documentations of having 20,000 or whatever shares he has of Reliance, and now it is worth more than crore. Can you just imagine a thing which is purchased way back is still calculated and still there in his account, if he has that receipt or whatever it is, and he can sell it forward. That is a spot, because spot makes you owner. You are a complete owner of that coin. You can decide whatever you want to do. Now, understood? Spot is like a physical world, physical trade, physical, understand as a physical trade only. Okay, hello for user 472862, welcome. So spot is like a physical trade, like I go, I buy, I own. When I decide to sell, I decide to sell. That's all. Okay, now what is future? Future is pure gambling. This is not the physical market, this is a pure gambling. I will say how. The trades will look same to you. The trades will look same to you, that you are buying two, that other person is selling two, we got match and we took the trade and blah blah blah. For that moment it might look the same, but what is happening inside? Future contract. Okay, now Karma, welcome. Karma, welcome. Udon, such a hard name to pronounce. U, Odunayo. Welcome, Odunayo. Sorry if I'm not able to pronounce your name properly. It's very new name for me to pronounce. Odunayo. I hope you give me $200 to trade future. $200 to trade future. UID 10203836. I gave you. Check. It's directly into your main account. Check. I gave you. And all the users who are coming on this live stream, make sure to use the functions of the deposit in the bottom of the live stream. You can see it right there in the bottom. There is two functions: deposit, recharge, and take a trade. So do make sure that you are doing a recharge only from the live stream whenever the live stream is there, because that will be counting in your activity when I will pick people for giving a giveaways, a free giveaways, maybe anything. Me too. I will give everybody 20 to 200 USDT you want for free of cost. ठीक है. Okay. 200 USDT you need for free of cost. Give me as well. I also like, if it's a free thing, I also need some things. Okay, so like I said, future contract, future trade is what we understood. Spot trade, spot is a legit market where you are the owner of whatever you buy. Got it? Now, future market. Future market is a contract market. You are not actually owner. Like for example, do you remember this thing like the government lands, the lands which are there in the governments, they don't give you like you are the complete owner of that land. What they will do you, they will give you on the lease. Like you have 1 year of a lease, you have 1 month of lease, you have xyz amount of lease. Lease is not an ownership. Lease is just like a for a part time, for a very small part time. I am a not even 100% owner, but some share owner I have for a very part time. Not even an owner. Okay, you are not even, you are considered caretaker. You are a caretaker of that thing. Okay, that's all. That's all you are, a caretaker, until unless some other person buys it from you and you sell that contract to him. If that contract price is going up or down, depending on that. Now, you don't have ownership, you have a lease thing. And in the future contract, rather than buying in like for example there is one btc or two btc, in future you don't get leverage. You don't get leverage as in, for buying one btc you have to pay that exact amount what one btc is at the price of. You cannot pick your own price ki like, yeah, I think I will give you just 200 right now, just give me 200 worth of btc and blah blah blah. That thing won't happen. Whatever the price is, they will give you exactly that price amount of btc. It won't be like in the leverage, in the future leverage, what we can do is, even if I am taking, I'm investing 10 usdt and I'm putting 10x leverage, with that 10 usdt I can take up to 100 100 usdt worth of btc I can buy. By just investing 10, I can buy 100 USDT bonus. That is leverage. Somebody out there is giving you, is providing you a money. It is not a fake money or it is not a bonus money. It is actually the real money that someone out there is providing you. Like, see, you are in the need of money. I have money. Your brain, my money. Let's take a trade. That's what future is. If you take a leverage, my money, your brain. If you earn money, okay. If you lose money, you give me back my money, kind of stuff. Like if you lose, then you have to extra pay because you took a leverage from that person, right? It's his money also you put on the line. But there is a but as well. If you take less leverage, less loss you can have. If you took a huge leverage, like for example, you invested 10, that person, and you took almost, let's say, 100x of leverage, 100x of leverage, you can take 125 up to 125x leverage. But let's just imagine that you took 100x of leverage. 10 into 100 becomes what? 1000 usdt. Okay, now in that share, like I bought this phone, I gave just 10 rupee, that person gave the rest of the money. Who is, sorry, yeah, who is the maximum owner of this phone? That person. I am the most smallest shareholder of this phone, the most smallest, like this much. Like I am just investing 10, he's investing the rest of the amount. So obviously his profit will be bigger than my profit. Whatever profit I will earn from this future, it will show like a very big amount is coming. But if you get a profit, you have to give back his share, the person you took leverage from, and you will be receiving according to your percentage. You are a 10% owner of a company, you will receive a 10% profit. He is a 90% owner of a profit, he will receive a 90% profit. Are you getting my point? The leverage point, what I'm talking about. You get according to your investment, you get according to your percentage. Yes, you can take a big amount of investment, because see, for example, if you took 10 usd leverage, 10 usd direct trade without taking any leverage, what will be your profit? Maybe 0.5, maybe 0.2, 1, 2, that's all. But if you take bigger trade, that will be bigger profit and that can be a bigger share. Simply, if you take 10 USDT, but you took the trade worth of 100 USDT, then from that 100 USDT, let's say you got 50 you got, you took 10% profit you will be receiving from that XYZ, which will be better than your 10 USDT profit. Simply 10 USD profit. By taking leverage, you can have more profit, but risk is also there. If you face loss, then you have to repay as well. Okay, now this is one part of future contract. Future contract is not an ownership, it's a lease thing that I am giving you. Just take care of it. I will meet you after some day. Now, what are those someday? Some future contracts has days. You might have heard expiry date, start date, expiry date, start date. What do you mean by that expiry and start date? Every future contract is what? And what are we gambling on? Like I said to you, like a future contract is a pure gambling. What do you understand by pure gambling like that? Now, for example, I am actually not putting money on whether I am interested in this BTC, or I am interested in Ethereum, or I am interested in Solana, or I am interested in XRP. It is exactly the same like real estate. Future contract is very similar to the real estate. How? See, I bought a property. I didn't bought a property because I want to make my house on it. I bought a property because I want to think like I think, see, this is a land. Next to that land, next year, maybe a Reliance building may open. A new brand shop may open. A mall may open. A food shop, a food court, or whatever may open, which will make my land price increase. But again, that is a blind faith I am having on that land. I just bought that land in a hope. Somebody just fed me this thing. Like, bro, a mall is gonna open over there. A school is gonna open over there. A something XYZ, which is more valuable than your property, is opening around you, which can increase your property value as well. Right? That is pure gambling. I just went by some words, and that's what we do. We don't do buy or sell. We go for long and short in future. That's what we do. Long means going for buy, and short means going for sell. Sell and buy. Now, why we pick a long and short thing? See, that's where a pure gambling comes. We are not putting our money into a faith of the Bitcoin or into the Ethereum. Future contract, what we are saying, like I believe, like XYZ, let's say today's date is 11 November. Okay, today's date is 11th of November, and this contract is of 15 days. 15 days contract I am in, and 15, it will be 626. Okay, 26. And by 26th of November, this contract will expire and it will go. Okay. Now, did you saw like in your first future trade what happened? You went for buy. They asked you two simple questions, Tylana. When you logged in, they asked you two simple questions. Do you want to go for buy or do you want to go for sell? That's all they asked. And they gave you trade, and they give you what period of a time? 1 hour of time they gave you. Within 1 hour, whatever profit you have, you will get it, and the trade will close. If in 1 hour you have loss, they don't care, trade will close. If you have profit in 1 hour, that's your profit, the trade will close. Right? Now, same in a bigger picture is called as expiry dates, a future contract dates. Okay. Now, the start of that day is, let's imagine, November, 11th of November. This was a day where the future contract started, and this is the day where the future contract is ending. Now, what is happening between these days? What is happening between these days? People are buying and people are selling. People are buying and people are selling. Right? Good. Now, what do we trade on? We trade on, in a future contract, we trade on this thing like, I have 15 days. I will find out that if in 15 days the market price is whatever XYZ, let's imagine the start of the market price is here is 103k, and the end. Now what I will do is, now you have to do gamble. You have to close your eyes, think about your god, or do the coin flip, or do whatever things, and you have to decide that from this price, the start price, either the Bitcoin price is going to be down or it can be up. It's a pure gambling. This is not an ownership. This is just asking you question. Do you think it can be up? Do you believe that from the day of November 11th and by the end of the day of 26th of November, the price will be above it, you gain profit, and the price will go bottom, you lose. If you go for a short trade, then you said like, no, I really believe that from the 11th of November till the price, till the expiry date of 26th November, I believe the price will fall down. Again, it's a random, like I just threw a random darts at my judgment. Like I don't know exactly, but I feel that it can show, it can fall. I put for a short trade. And if the market start at 101.03, if it goes by 102K, that means yes, my prediction, I predicted that the market will fall in that 15 days. It fall and I got my profit. I predicted the market will rise. I put for long trade. I got my profit. It's a prediction game. The same way those games comes like predict this, predict that, predict this. Future is a prediction game, a prediction gambling, which we predict whether the market will go up or whether the market will fall down. That's why we can earn in both ways. We can earn in when the market is falling, and we can also earn when the market is going up. But in a spot market, you cannot earn from both sides. For example, if you are in a spot market and you don't have a market, like for example, I went to the gold shop and I directly want to sell gold. He will ask me, where is your gold? You don't have a gold. How will you sell it? But in the future market, I am selling that gold. I am putting my trade for sell, even if I don't have a gold in my pocket. Why? Because I'm not actually selling the gold. I am just predicting the price, just a price that I believe the price may fall and I believe the price may go up. We are not buying the BTC. We are not selling the BTC. We are just predicting what will be the price of BTC. Either it will be up, either it will be down. Should we go for long? Should we go for short? That's all. Spot, on the other hand, is an ownership. You are owning a thing. You are buying it with the money, and it is will stay in your pocket. You can say to the rest of the world, like, see, I have this, and they will accept it because you have the receipt, you have everything, you have the ownership. For the future thing, no, you don't have ownership. You don't have those XYZ BTC. You are just predicting what can be the price. Can it go up? Can it go down? And once there are some do's and don'ts as well. Okay, for example, if you entered at 11 November and you never exited, like till this point, you never took your close your trade or took the profit out. By the expiry date of 26th November, the trade will automatically close with whatsoever. You got 1% profit, $1 profit, have you $1 profit, close. Gamble done. Days are off. The bet is off. The bet was till 26th of November. That what will be the price? You got profit, go away. Same way, like, and but you can also do that thing. Like if, for example, 11th November, here you went for buy, and here the market is at 105, 200K profit you are in. You can exit at that moment, or you can wait for more price hike up. It's up to you. If you're a greedy person, wait more. If you're not, you're satisfied with whatever profit you are earning in the 2 days itself. Like let's say by 13th November itself, you got that satisfactory profit, you can exit from the market. You have option for that. That is future trade. Future trade is not an ownership of the BTC expire, like any other coin, not just BTC, any other coin which you're trading on. Future contract doesn't give you ownership. It just give you a contract for a lease period of a time. You can have it. If in that period is same like that plot, it's same like the real estate property. You are not buying it. You are just thinking that, see, I have a contract for this and I can fool somebody like, bro, this is going to open there. The price is going to hike. Can you buy? Do you want to buy in a higher price? He bought in a higher price with you. And he can do the same thing to next price. He can do the next. Future contract is a prediction game where you have to predict what the market is. Either it's going to go up, either it's going to go down. Future market is useful, and at the same point not useful at a like at the same point. It can give you a good amount of profit, and it can give you it can take all of your like whatever balance you have, it can take you that as well. It just depends on your prediction. If it goes right, you are the most profitable person in the market, more than the spot people. But but if your prediction goes wrong, then you are having too much loss. Okay. If your prediction goes right every time, trust me, future market is that place where you can earn up to daily $1,000 you can take out from the market. It gives you that much opportunity as well. Like daily 1,000 USDT you can take from the market if your predictions are right. If your understanding of the market is right, it looks the same. It looks the same. The market will look the same, exact like a spot market. There is no difference. There might be some 1 to 10 to $5 difference between the prices of the spot and future. It will look the same, but in there you are buying it legitly, keeping in your hand, and you can sell it whenever you want. In future contract, you are not buying it. There is no ownership. There is nothing. It's just you on the contract. I can sell contract. I don't sell property. I don't sell anything. I will just sell you the contract. That's all. And you do the prediction. If you want to see the price goes high, if your prediction is right, the price will rise. It's your profit. If the price falls down, that's your loss. Prediction game. Future is a prediction game. And one thing, there is, like I said to you, there is start and expiry date, right? There is start and expiry date. But if you come over here, can you see in our, acha, you cannot see it from my thing. Let me just shift myself. Okay. Can you see over here in the future contract of the ZBit, you can see that expiry is written as perpetual. Now, what do you mean by perpetual? Expiry is written perpetual. Everything, like every market you will be seeing, and you can see current contract only. In here is also there current contract only. It should be always on. It's always on. I'll tell you why. I'll also explain you what expiry date. Can you see expiry date over here? In future, yeah. In future, you can see expiry date, which is written as perpetual. It is not written as number, like date. Like on this date it will expire, on this date it will expire, on this month or blah. Because this contract can be of any time. It can be of 15 days, it can be of 1 month, it can be of 6 months, 7 months, 8, 1 year, 2 years, 3 year, 5 year. Contract has no limits. Okay. It can be whatever contract you are entering. I want to enter at 15 days. I want to enter a contract of 1 month. I want to enter a contract 3 months. But like I said to you, ZBit is the most beginner friendly app. So I first future is little difficult. You saw a little difficult to understand future. A little. Not too much, but a little. You have to always be conscious of your start date, expiry date, and blah and blah and blah and blah. Right? Now, ZBit is the most beginner friendly app because we are providing you an perpetual contract. Now, what do you mean by a perpetual contract? A perpetual contract means a contract which doesn't have an expiry date. Doesn't have an expiry date. Doesn't have an expiry date. So it is very similar like a spot, but not exactly the similar. Okay. Future, it's a start, is infinity until unless the market is going on, and the market will go on limitless. So perpetual contracts means what? Perpetual, the thing you can see over here, expiry date is written as perpetual over here. What do you mean by perpetual? Perpetual means never ending contract, the contract which never ends, a contract which doesn't have an expiry date. For example, if you go and buy this coin, is called this. What is this coin? This coin is ENA USDT. If I go for this coin future trade, I go and open a long position. This long position will be there if I don't take, and if I have a sufficient, like for example, my prediction rate. Like for example, let's say, 1 second. Okay? Pencil, yeah. brush. Yeah. Let's say it is right now at what? 0.3. Okay. And from this day, which day is 11th of November, you enter in the market from where? That is your start date. That is your start date. Okay. You entered at 11th of November and the price was what? 0.3. You entered for long position at this point. Okay. And let's just imagine that the prediction was that good that even 1 year has passed. It is again 11th of November, but not 2025, but it is 2026, and the price has not fallen below your entry. Your entry price was what? 0.3. Your prediction was what? Like price will increase from 0.3. That's my prediction. That's why I've entered from 0.3. And let's say that 1 year has passed. It is 11th of November, but 2026. And the price is still above 0.3. The contract is still going on, your trade is still active, you are still earning a profit, you're still having a profit. That is meaning of a perpetual contract, that it will never ever take or close the trade until and unless two things happens. What are those two things? Either your balance goes empty, so the trade will close, or the second thing, until and unless you close the trade. If your balance goes, like for example, you have a balance 100 USDT and you are going in a minus 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 minus, until unless it is minus 100, trade closed, your amount balance zero, there is no trade. But you entered at 0.3 and it is still above that price, your prediction is still going on, that is never even a single point of your life in that 1 year or 2 year or 3 or 4 or 5 whatsoever year it is, that price never went below 0.3, your trade will be still active. Still active. That is the meaning of perpetual, that it doesn't have an expiry date and you can take the trade off by yourself only. Nobody will take it off for you. It will stay there for years and years and years if you don't take it out. You have a sufficient balance to make it stable for years, fine. Because you see like price will come up then fall down, sometime you're in pause, like sometime you're in profit, sometime you're in loss, like the plus plus then the minus minus, the plus plus then the minus minus. If you can sustain that thing, if you have any sufficient balance, it will stay there for the years. Like you take a trade today and for the whole year the trade will be there, whole year the trade will be there. That is the meaning of perpetual contract. Like it will never expire, it will never expire. Like the first trade, 20 USD trade, it has an expiry time. Within 1 hour it will expire automatically. It will calculate, for example, right now it is Dubai time, it is 2 o'clock. By 2 o'clock I took a trade, 3 o'clock it will wait, 1 hour it will wait. If I gain profit, I can close my trade by myself. If it doesn't, then in that 1 hour it will close the trade by himself automatically. But in the perpetual contract, you don't have to worry about that. Nobody is gonna close your trade. If the balance goes zero, yes, the trade automatically closes because you don't have more money to invest in the market or to be sustained into the market. But if you are having profit and that profit goes and goes on for years, 1 year passed, you're still in the profit, 2 year passed, still in the profit, still 3 year passed, still your trade is having a green thing, positive, like profit, 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 even if it's $1, $2, $3, $5, doesn't matter. Till the point you're not having a loss in that market, nobody can close your trade and it will still there for ages and ages until unless you take the trade off. That is the meaning of perpetual contract. And that's what Zbit is offering to all of the people for a beginner. Rather than being a stress, oh my God, after 2 days, my expiry is going to come and I'm in the loss of what, so XYZ loss, big amount of loss, which cannot be recovered in 2 days. So you have to face loss. But perpetual contract helps you in that situation. Like even if you're right now in the loss, if you can sustain that balance, let's give it 1 week to the market, maybe that can go up again. You have that option over here. Okay, cool. Tylana, you understood what future And spot market is, to put in a very simple way, future is the real market, a legit market where you buy, you get the ownership, you have that property, you have that gold, and you are the owner, and you can sell it whenever you want to sell it. Okay, nobody can sell you, nobody can sell it. But in the future contract, you don't get the ownership, you get a contract. Like on the contract basis, I will make you a boss. For 10 days, I can make you a boss. For 15 days, I can make you a boss, or something like that. Got it? It's very simple. Future is a prediction thing where you predict if the price can go up from that entry point or price can fall down from that entry point. Okay. And we, Zbit, are offering you a perpetual contract, which is never ending contract. It doesn't expire at all. Okay, it doesn't have an expiry date, so you don't have to worry regarding tomorrow my contract is going to expire, day after tomorrow, in 1 week, in 2 week, in 3 week. No, you don't have to worry regarding that. It will expire never. It will be going on till the point Zbit is here, till the point Bitcoin market is there. It will go on till that point. Okay, ठीक है. Welcome user 73877. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Let me shift myself to here. That, that's what. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? User 353445 and Tylana. Anything you didn't understand? Ask me again. I will explain you again. You don't have to worry. I'm here for all of you people only. Welcome user 656691. Welcome on the live stream. It's 2 hours. I wanna go on. I will be right back. I wanna go on just a quick 15-minute break and I will be right back. Okay. I will see you guys in 15 minutes. Okay. Kailana is asking on your opinion, which is best future or spot. See, I really believe I'll give you a very honest answer on this as well. Uh, we are people who have less money. Fair. To be very fair enough, we are the people who are having a very less money to invest. So if we are having a less money to invest, so spot is not an option for us. Spot requires, if you want to earn in a spot, it requires a investment, a good investment. If you invest 500 USDT, if you invest in 1000 USDT, 2000 USDT, then you can see some profit in the spot market. That too, you have to consider a risk of losing as well, because volatility is very high of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility, like it can go up like this, it can drop up like this. And now why there is a, I will explain volatility later. Okay, first I'll just give you opinion, then I will explain you why uh, cryptocurrency has so much of volatility. Like money, like market drops like this and goes up like this, and drops more than 10%, rises more than 10%. Why is that? So in my personal opinion, spot market requires investment. Very frank, you don't have investment like 500 USDT, that I'm saying the most minimum amount. Okay, 500 is the most minimum. Like you can see profit, you can see profit of, like, let's say 50, 100, 50, 100 in the spot, and that too you might have to wait for the market to climb that point. Okay, so spot is an option if you have investment. If you have investment, then don't risk your investment in the future. Put it on the spot. At least you have a ownership. At least, even if, like, for example, uh, let's say you bought at this point. This is your entry point for spot. This is your spot entry. You entered at a spot market at the price of what? 105K. That is a price you entered at a spot market for mine. Okay, you bought the price, you bought it. You never said that the price might go up or price might fall down. If it falls down from this, obviously you are having some loss. But at the same point, even if this market comes down to whole point over here, let's say it is 100K, even if you sell over here, yes, you are having some loss, but you still can sell it. Okay, it is not like if it's going minus 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 minus, and it is eating up all of your investment. It won't eat up your investment, it won't eat up your balance. Same way, like, let's say that you bought a gold at a price of 200K per gram. Okay, 200, 2000 per gram, you bought the gold. Okay, you got 1 gram of gold, which is worth 2000. Now the gram price has been shifted down to, let's say, 500 per gram. You can sell it, you can get that 500 gram, but the investment which you made, you might be in 500 loss. That is your investment. It is not coming, we are not taking more 500, 1500 from your account or your bank or anywhere place. That's your investment. You bought 2000 per gram at the price, now the price is going on 500. You Either you have two options: sell it, have that at least 500 and exit the market, buy more at the small price like 500, exit with whatever price is and buy more at the 500 price, or just let it be again when it comes to 2000, so that you won't have this loss of 1500. Okay, so even if the market is falling down, your account balance, your wallet is not getting any affected. It is not getting affected. Your balance is still there. If you have balance of 1000 USDT, that is going to be 1000 USDT even if it comes down to 500 per gram. Even if you're having 1500 loss, price loss, still that is fine. This is not going to be affected at all, I'm saying. Okay, even if you sell it after 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, doesn't matter. It is not going to affect your amount balance. So you have an option like when you buy at 105K, even if the price comes to the 100K, whatever investment you had, that might have a loss. Other than that, it won't have a loss. Other than that, it will not have a loss at all. At all. Still, you can sell it at some point unless it becomes zero. Then that is complete loss. If this price becomes zero, Bitcoin from 100K went straight to zero, then yes, you don't get any money. But this chance is 0% chance that Bitcoin will become zero. Price of Bitcoin, one Bitcoin price will become zero. It is not possible at all, not possible. So if you go for a spot trade, it is safe at one point. Like even if the market goes down, still there nobody will, your amount balance is not going to affect. Nobody's going to close your trade. Your trade is not going to close because you don't have money in your amount balance. Nothing is going to happen. Okay, this is spot. But this spot requires investment, a good investment. Minimum to minimum 500 to 1000, so at least you require to earn a good amount of profit. That profit might be in, like, let's say in 2 days, 7 weeks, 7 month, 6 month, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. Okay, this is spot investment. What are the pros of the spot? That even if the market is falling down, your trade is not closed, still you are having one BTC in your hand. Still, price falls down, still you have one. Price goes up, still you have one. Selling part might be affected. Like if the price fall down, the sell you will sell at a cheap price, which will be a little loss for you because you are buying it at a higher price and selling it at a cheaper price. Okay. And let's say if you bought one BTC from here, it went straight up to 110. That means you are having a good amount of profit because you're selling it at a higher. Has pros, better pros than cons. Con of a spot market is just one thing, that you have to pick a very, if you want to go for buy situation, okay, you cannot go for sell directly. You have to have something before you sell. The same way I explained you, if you go to a gold shop and you say I want to sell a gold, and he will ask me show your gold, and you say I don't have a gold but I want to sell it, it is not possible. You need to have something. So buying is a very crucial point at a spot. That at what place are you buying it? Are you buying it at a very higher price? Are you buying at a very cheaper price? If you buy at a higher price, you have a more risk of a loss, not in that your one BTC is gonna go away. No, your one BTC you bought, that one BTC will stay there until and unless you sell it. The loss is the price. If the price falls down, you buy at a higher price, and from there, whenever the market reaches this overbought situation means like a lot of people have bought at right now point, and now people want to sell it. Then the price will fall down, and then you might have that you have to sell it at a cheaper price rather than selling it at a higher price, because we have this situation. If I bought it at a cheaper price, I want to sell it at more price. Then only I can gain a profit. Okay, so BTC, sorry, spot has more pros, that you are safe from liquidation. You won't get liquidated in the spot market. You won't. Cheaper price you can sell, that is the loss, that is a con. But pro is that you will not get liquidated from the market. Liquidated is like you won't be thrown out of the market just because you don't have money. For example, You have one BTC bought into the BTC. You bought one BTC as a spot thing. You own it now. You have it now. Even if now your amount balance becomes zero, still this one BTC will be there. Still that one BTC will be there. Even if your amount balance is zero. There is no minimum criteria that you have to keep this much in your bank and then only you can have one BTC. No, there is no such thing like that. That is a pro of the spot market, that you won't be thrown out of market. You won't be getting liquidated by your amount balance. It doesn't require amount balance. Once you bought it, you bought it. You have it and you will have it until unless you sell it. Selling at a cheaper price is your con, that you don't have to, yeah, if you like forcefully sell it at a cheaper price, that you feel like it can more down, than rather than having this much loss, I can have just small loss. This is one con of the spot market, but that becomes like, it can also be eradicated by picking the best moment to buy. Best moment to buy is like, rather than buying, like if for example this is the market going on, rather than buying BTC over here, I will wait for the market to come down a little bit, cool down, and come back to its demand. And this is the point where I will buy at a cheap price. Don't buy any spot coin at a higher price range. Always buy at a cheaper price range. Okay, this is the thing which you can, like, you can eradicate that one con by just picking the right place to buy. That's all. That's all. Nothing else. This is the spot. But for the future, if you invest in the future right now over here, market is at 105k for BTC. I entered for what? Future. I entered for future over here. The more, like for example, again, like I said, like you entered at the wrong position, from then market started to fall. You're having loss, 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 loss. If you go for buy, you did the long, like you think like from here the market can have a good price up. You predicted the price will hike, and at that moment the price is falling down. The price will fall down, and it will keep you in that trade active till that point, and like till that point where your amount doesn't go zero. If your amount goes zero, available balance goes zero, or your investment goes zero, then you will be liquidated from that market with whatever loss you are having. It will be gone. That loss price will go to the market and you will be thrown out of the market. That trade will be closed. That is a con of the future market. But a pro of the future market is that less investment you can make. You can enter a future market at 5 USDT as well, at 10 as well, at 20 as well, at 30 as well, 40, 50, 60, 100, 200, 1,000, 10,000, lakh dollar as well. There is no limit of investment. Invest the cheapest to the highest price, doesn't matter. Till the point you are in the profit, everything is a pro in the future market, because future market can give you good amount of profits compared to the spot market. In future market, you can take leverage. If you have just 10, but still that 10 can become 1,000 USDT trade if you take leverage, which is not there in the spot. If you don't have 1,000, you cannot invest 1,000. You don't have 1 lakh, you cannot invest 1 lakh. You have 10, you only invest 10. That's all. Okay, that's all. You cannot take a trade like future. Even in the future, with 10 USDT, you can take a trade up to 1 lakh as well, or up to 1,000 as well, or up to 100 as well, depending on the leverage you pick. With a small investment, you can take a bigger trade to earn a bigger amount of profit in the future market. This is one of the pros of the future market, that you can enter in the market with a less investment, but still you can take a trade of a higher investment. With 10, by taking 100x of leverage, you can take a trade up to 1,000 USDT. But What about another pro? I want to say another pro is that there is no such things like, for example, in a spot market, you took an investment, and if that investment goes down, like, yeah, another sorry, not this pro, the other pro of the spot market is that I am a very new person, I don't own a BTC, but I still can directly, my first trade can be a sell in the BTC. But in the spot trading, it doesn't work like that. One second. This is not working. Chats are not loading. One second. Yeah. One second, people. My chats are not loading. Yes, yes. Sorry, Tylana. Sorry, user 726922. My chats were not loading, so I couldn't see your chats, people. But yeah, now you can ask Tylana, sir, quick question. Yes, you can ask a quick question, Tylana. And user 726922. I am a learner. How can I start? I will also share you that thing, but come back to live stream again. You are not on the live right now. So yes, Tylana, according you asked me the question that in my opinion, which is best future or spot, I will simply tell you this one thing. If you have less investment, go with a future trade because it can give you a good profit in a less investment. In the spot, you have to have a good investment, then and then only you can earn a good amount of profit. If you don't have a very good investment, that is when it start a trade by itself, did we use the 20 we got? Yes, yes, because you never deposited. So without deposit, there should be some money. Now money came from where? Money came from our 20 USDT bonus. So it is using that 20 USDT bonus. Okay, it's the trade start by itself by you giving him prediction that I feel that I can go, I want to go for long because I think the price can increase. So from that moment, that price started to take whatever 20 USDT, started to use himself, you entered the market with 20 USDT. Okay, if you haven't done a deposit, then how the trade went? Because of the investment came from where? That 20 USDT is the investment which made the trade. Simple. And regarding your opinion, you asked me my opinion for future and the spot market, which is the best one. I don't say, I am not saying that which is best, which is not the best. It depends on the requirement. If you have less investment to make in the market, go for the future trade, earn money, put it into the spot. If you have a good investment to make, good investment as in 500 USDT, 1000, 2000, 5000, 10,000, such kind of investment you have in the market to make, then straightly go for the spot. It can be safe, it will be safe, and it will be much more, like, there are no cons compared to the future. It won't liquidate you in the market, it won't eat up your balance, it won't eat up your investment, it will be still there. Okay. And if you like, best, just one thing, whenever you're doing spot trading, pick a very good position to buy, because first trade will be obviously buy, because you need to buy first to sell anything. You cannot directly sell the trade, you cannot directly sell BTC. If you don't own it, you cannot sell it. So whenever you are owning it, make sure that you are entering at a very cheap price. Do not enter at a very high price, so that from this point market will start falling. Okay, always enter at such point like, okay, now I see like price touch the highest point, Now it might travel a little down, and that's my point from where I should go for a buy in spot. If you enter at this point itself, obviously the market, whenever they go to the higher price zone, from there they need to correct themselves. The price corrects himself and goes down to correct. So if you are doing a spot trading, do it. The position matters a lot. At what position do you enter? You enter at a very good position, a cheap price, so that you can sell it at a higher price, or you enter at a higher price and you sell at a cheap price, which is a loss of yours. And if you have a less investment, go for a future trade. Future will help you with a less investment. It can give you good amount of profits. Okay. And you are good at gambling, then go for future trade. Future trade is good for gambler. Like you can do gambling, then go for future. Best for gamblers is a future. You can earn a very good amount of money from the future if you are good at prediction. Any other question from your side? I'm happy to answer. Any more questions you guys have regarding anything? Like you don't understand anything, you don't know about future, you don't know spot, anything? User 353445, Melody, Talana, user 80014. Welcome. You just recently entered the mark. Yeah, recently entered the live stream. Welcome on the live stream of zb.com. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for joining me. Any other questions, people? Anything? Anything? Anything from all of you people? Any doubt you want to clear regarding any market, future, spot? Didn't understand anything? Because clearing doubt is very important. Don't be with a false information in your head. It might not good to be with a false information in your head. If you have any false doubt, anything, ask. I'm here. I'm all your ears. And do not forget to use the functions of the live stream, deposit and take a trade functions. Okay. Sir, I don't make a trade, but I lost the 20. See. I get it. See, very similar doubt, a very similar issue was recently. Yeah, I get it. You didn't take a trade. That's what you feel, that you didn't take a trade. But I will explain you some scenario and just tell me yes and no situation if that thing happened with you or not. Okay. When you signed up, that 20 USDT you saw in your account, in that there is some window must have popped up in front of you that asked you that do you want to go for buy or do you want to go for sell, or it must have been do you want to go for long or do you want to go for short, open long or open short. Did you saw any of those option when you signed up? When you sign up, you saw one option. There might be one option, one window must have popped up in front of you that this is XYZ coin and this is XYZ thing. This is the chart. Now there are two options in front of you: open long and open short. Did you click any of those things? Melody, I'm asking you, did you click any of those things? Did you click any open long or any open short? Melody, did you got any options like click on open long or click on open short options when you sign up, when you did the sign in? Did you got options like that? I click buy. See, you clicked buy, that means you entered for the trade and that trade was made. That was made. It is not like you didn't take a trade. You didn't realize that you took a trade, but that is okay. That's why it is. You don't have to worry regarding that because that is not a money which is like your. It is free money which we are providing. So even if you are facing loss, nobody is gonna ask you for the loss. That is gone. Let it be. Because make sure to remember, because I told these things a lot of time in this live stream as well, that all the do's and don'ts of the first trade. You said you click buy right now and now you're saying no, I don't got it, I didn't got it. But Melody, you just said I click buy. That means once you click on that buy, the trade will be activated by himself. Clicking on buy long will active your trade. The trade is going on. The trade will go on for how much? For 1 hour. If you take out the trade before 1 hour, that is also possible. But if you don't, and if you forgot that you had a trade which is going on since 1 hour, after 1 hour, it will automatically close the trade with whatsoever loss or whatsoever profit. So if you have, like you said, that I click buy, that means once you click that buy, that trade was activated, that trade was active on the market, and after 1 hour, that trade got closed with the loss, because you are saying that you lost, you don't have that 20 anymore. That means you lost that 20 in the trade. If it would have been a profitable trade, whatever xyz amount of profit above that $20, like for example, you got $1 profit, 2, 3, 10, 15, 20, 30, whatever amount of profit you would have gone from that market, from that trade, it would have been visible into your available balance. But if it's not visible in your available balance, that means you had the loss in all the 20. You can actually come over here. If you don't if you don't realize it, you can come over here and you can check order history. You will see that there is one trade which you have taken, and it will show your P&L, profit and loss, how much loss you had, how much profit you had, and every of those things. Okay, so if you have clicked on it, you can check. If you feel like you never took a trade, then go to the order history. Okay, I will again repeat one thing for all of you people that needs to be repeated, because you are having a very common questions. Okay, so I will again repeat one. First user reward thing, there are two first user reward you should get, and also there is two things, Tylana, if you are not update about it, and also the user 353445, if you are not updated regarding the new user new things, that is two major update has been happened in the app of the Zbit. Okay, what are those two major update? The two major update is referral commissions. What do you mean by referral commission? There will be an invite code in your, like your unique invite code. The more you invite people, like with that user, like when you do a sign up, can you see a sign up? Can you see there is an invitation code over here? Can you see it? If people who have like welcome user 742491. Welcome on the live stream of zbit.com. Welcome. I am explaining you the new referral commission thing which has been updated in the zbit, with which you can earn up to more than 50% of commission from zbit just by providing more and more and more invite codes. What do you mean by that? The more people you invite on this app, the more money you make, not by taking any trade. You don't take a trade, fine, but you can earn money just by inviting people on this platform. How? I will explain you that thing. Okay, what is the first thing you need to do is you have an invite code. Everybody has their own unique invite code. You share it to the people. You ask your family, you ask your friends, you ask your colleague, you ask your Instagram followers, or anybody whoever comes on this live stream, download this, create an account with, they have to compulsorily think, they have to put your invite code over here. Whatever invite code is there, they have to copy paste over here or write it over here, and then click on sign up. Once they do it, then and then only your you will receive that thing, like somebody has, like in our data there will be the whole thing like that XYZ. Like for example, Tilana. Okay, for example, Tilana has got one person invite code. He invited one person, or invited two, invited three, invited four, five, six. As much people you include, more number will be adding up here. The more number you add, the higher chance you get for 50% commission. 50% commission is a very good amount of money to and to gain, that too by doing nothing. What you are doing is just inviting people, telling them to open an account with your invite code. But again, there are some do's and there are some don'ts. Okay, let me explain you the do's and the don'ts of the invite. Okay, one second. Okay, so step by step. Hello, user 771073. Welcome on the live stream. I'm explaining you how to earn money just by referring to people this Zbit app. Okay, because that's a new feature, or that's a new thing which we have introduced on this app, that you can earn commissions by referring this app to your friends, colleague, stranger, XYZ people. Doesn't matter from how they are doing it, but if they come by your invite code, which they have to put it over here, can you see invitational code optional? If they put it over here, then you will be receiving commission on that. The more people you refer, the more commission you get. How much commission you will get by inviting how many people, I will tell you. Okay, so this is the whole commission rates which I am sharing to you right now. Whole commission rate. First thing, if you invite, this is level 1 commission. Okay, if you invite 1 to 4 people. Okay, wait. Commission rate level people commission. Okay, we'll divide into 3 parts. I will make you explain this thing in 3 parts, which is this is a commission rate. Levels are there. There are 1, 2, 3, and 4 levels in this. I will tell you how many people you have to invite. Procedure, I told you already. Procedure is that you go into your login, you do, I will show you the login. I will show you where it is as well. Let me just log in for 1 minute. I will show you the login and I will show you where you have to find the code, how what you need to do and everything. And how you can earn free money without even doing anything. Free money. Just give me 1 moment. I'm logging into my account. There is some verification code which will come. Okay, so this is the login thing. You come in over. Okay, I will make myself over this way. As you can see, you you click on this. Click on this. Why? Where is that thing? It was here about. Where is the real something here? Where's the invite code? Invite code. Invite code. Invite code. Invite code. Invite code. Invite code. I cannot see invite code. Why I cannot see invite code? 1 second. There is Thailand, there is no low price like that. Like I'm not saying that there is some low price on spot market. Like for example, if I go in a spot market, let's go in BTC spot market. Can you see spot BTC spot? I clicked on this. This is BTC spot going on. I'm not saying that you have to, there is specific price that you have to go for buy. Okay, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that do not buy if market has came down till this point. Don't buy over here because you know from this point higher price market will travel to the demand zone again. So wait for those points from where the market comes down and then enter for the higher price. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying that I know a price that this is the price which you can go for buy. Whenever if you see the market is having such kind of structure of up, like it has just came from bottom and right now it has a top. And if you see there are more supply, and this is all supply, this is all supply. There are so many supplies up, so going above will be very difficult for a market, but going down will be very easy for the market at a high price. So at those point when you think like a market is at a high price, wait, do not enter for buy. Let the market come to its demand zones, then you enter at the market to buy. That's what I'm saying. Where is that? Where is my white code? I don't think so. In website, I can see it. Maybe from phone, you can easily access it. I'm not able to access it from website. I mean, can the price become only 50? What do you mean by that? Can only become 50? I didn't understand what you said. Can the price become only 50? What do you mean by only 50? No, I'm not understanding what are you saying that it's 50 or something. And in the website, I cannot able to find out that thing. On the website, it's not written the invite code. Searched everywhere. Maybe from the phone you can access the invite code, but from the website is unable to access. I cannot access the invite code from here. And please rephrase your question. I am not understanding. Like I mean, can the price become only rupees 50? Only rupees 50. Thoda And make me understand a little. What do you mean by like price 50? Which what is 50 rupees? Which coin is rupees 50? But still, I will explain you the commission slabs. But you can find. I hope everybody can find their invite code in the app, because in the website, from the website, I cannot access it. There is no invite code over here in the website to show you all people. But there is a website. There is an invite code in your app that I know for very sure. So let's understand the commission rates. Let's understand how much commission are you gonna earn. Ref commission rate. Referral commission. And then let's understand the referral commission of the Zibit. Okay. Zibit, how to earn a referral commission on Zibit. There are levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Okay, 4 level you got. After that, there is number of people, and then there is the commission. How much commission you will be getting. If you invite level 1, in level 1, if you invite people from 1 to 4, 1 to 4 people you invite, means 4 different people, 4 different account, not one account 4 time. Okay, 4 different account, 4 different people opens account from your invite code, then you get 20% of commission. Okay, in the level 2, if you invite people from 5 to 9 people, you invite 5 to 9 people entered, downloaded, registered the Zbit app from your invite code, you will receive 30% of commission. In level 3, if you invite more than 10 to 29 users, 10 to 29 users, new accounts, new user registering from your number, from your invite code, you receive 40% of commission. But if you invite the last stage, if you invite 30 to unlimited, this is the last. If you invite, your invite code becomes more than, you invited a lot of people, you referred a lot of people on the Zbit, okay, then it will become 50% of commission you will be getting. For 1 to 2 people invite referral, and this is for users, okay, user referral. This is not my thing, this is you can earn money just by inviting people on this app. The more you invite people with your invite code, in when you open it in your phone, it will be somewhere there in the phone. I tried access to the website, but it's not showing there right now in the website. So you can access it from the app. You will see an invite code of yours, and that invite code needs to be here. So let me log out. Yeah, once you do the sign up, see, can you see invite code over here? Invite code, your invite codes needs to be here. Once they put your invite code, and if 1 to 4 people opened a new account from your invite code, you get 20% of commission on it.
If 5 to 9 people open and invite or open and registered and create account in Zbit, you get 30% of commission. If 10 to 29 new register happen from your invite code, 40% of commission you get. And if 30 or anything above, you get 50% of commission on that thing. But there are some do's and there are some don'ts on it. Okay, what are the do's and what are the don'ts? And let's understand that. Let's read. I hope you understood this. I hope this same thing is written on the app as well. Okay, so you don't have to write it down or you don't have to take screenshot. You can just go and you can see in the app the same thing is written. I'm just informing you because I know it's like you might miss the major updates. There are two updates which happen. One I'm explaining and one I'll explain the later. Okay. After this, there are some do's and don'ts. Your friend, your colleague, any person who is opening from your invitation code needs to complete three procedures. What are those three procedures? First procedure is putting invite code is the most compulsory one. He has to put that invite code into the invite invitation over here. If he forgets to put invitation, it will not be count whatever it is. He has to put it over here. That's the first thing he needs to do. Second thing, he can see. Second thing will come little later. Before that second thing, that person can take a trade of that free 20 USDT which we give, 20 USDT which you will receive as a free thing. You can take a trade on that thing. Okay, you do the trade. After that, do a deposit. And now the deposit should be where do you have to deposit? You have to deposit in the live stream. 7, 8, 9, 10, Parana Dimkana. Whatever deposit he makes, tell him to deposit in the live stream function of deposit, which you can see at the bottom. When you come on the live stream, there are the two functions over here. One is deposit and one is take a trade. So he has to do the deposit, first deposit from the live stream itself. Got it? Invite code, first thing. Second thing, deposit from the live stream. I come from 12 to 4 Indian Dubai timing. India timing will be 1:30 to 5:30. Indonesia and any other time will be different. You can know it. Dubai timing is 12 to 1, so you can according to that you can know what timing is in your country. At that time you have to enter in the live stream. In the bottom you will find the deposit buttons. Click on the deposit button and deposit whatsoever amount he will deposit. That's the second required thing he need to do. And third required thing he need to do is he has to take 5 trades. He should complete 5 trades in the Zbit. 5 trades. What do you mean 5 trades? I bought it, I sold it, I bought it, I sold it, I bought it, I sold it, I bought it, I sold it. 5 trades are complete. 5 trades should be opened. 5 trades should be closed. Whatever trade is open, it should close as well. So then and then only you will be receiving commission. It's for user, it's for your benefit, I'm saying. Okay. If you have a good big circle of friends, big circle of colleagues, big circle of family, or anything, big circle, this is a very good opportunity for all of you people to earn 50% up to 50% of commissions, which I said. Okay, already I have told you what kind of commission will be received or with what kind of people you invite. But these are the three main thing which those people needs to do, needs to complete in the lives on the trade, so that you can get that commission. If any one of those things are not there, you won't get commission. So it's your duty to make them understand this thing, that invite code is the most important. First step is invite code, then only we can understand that okay, this invite code was used, then in that thing you will be receiving that, like. And where you can check it, you can check it as a referral rebate, redate something is written like that. You can check it over there, how many people came, how many people didn't came, and every of those things you have to check over there. Then the first second thing is he can deposit. Like, see, before deposit tell him to take a trade, because if he deposit after before taking that 20 USD trade, then that 20 USD won't be there. He should not deposit or should not take a any he should not deposit before using that 20 USD. Okay. After using a 20 USD bonus, which is a reward from our side, then he has to deposit where? On the live stream function. Wow, bro, you are still live. Yes. I go live for 4 hours. 4 hour of live stream I do. 4 hours of live stream. This is a 4 hour of live stream on this platform. I go live from 12 to 4 Dubai timing. I am in Dubai, that's why I'm telling you Dubai timing. More 1 hour of live stream is left on this platform. After this, I will be going. Okay, now, like I said to you, second thing, he has to deposit a money, that too from the deposit option function from the live stream. Then he needs to take 5 trades. 5 trades. Once the 5 trades are completed, you receive the commission. Salute, bro. Salute to you as well. Got it? Do you have a Zbit account? Yes, I have a Zbit account. I don't use it for trading. It's just there. Let's do some trading now. Done explaining stuff. But if you have, can you borrow me some? No. This borrowing stuff is not there in Zbit. I don't think it's any there in any other platforms. Nobody gives money to anybody. Money should be kept inside safe. Okay. Karma. Lol. Lol, bro. Lol. You're asking money. Lol. So let's do some trading. Let's do some analysis of the market, and we will check out if we can find any entry points into the market today. Let's enter for a very quick and very easy trade. Okay, very quick and easy trade. First I will tell you what I spotted. I just watched the market for a little while and I spotted, see, there are two things. One is a very big green candle, one is a very big red candle. Big green candle means a huge demand has came into the market, and red candle means a huge supply has came into the market. There is demand and there is a supply in the market. Now we can use help of this demand and supply, because we know this one thing: demand travels to supply and supply travels to demand. So this traveling is our profitable situations over here. Now where the market is at right now, if I plot that demand and plot that supply, first this is that demand. Okay, we can clearly see with this demand here, market came down, went up again fall down, again from that exact demand it went up again. Okay, so demand is working the great. Let me just write it. Where is the text? This is the demand zone of the market. Okay. After that, we can see another thing, that this is the point from where a huge sell off came. Can you see a which sell? The market did a very huge sell from that point. So this has become our what? A small. This is not a very big supply. Okay, this is very small supply. It's not a very big, but very small supply. So again, I'll repeat. This is not a very big supply. It is a very small supply in the market. But still, it is a supply. Supply is supply. Okay. This is a supply zone of the market. Small supply, small demand. Small supply zone, small demand. Now this is where we have to play. What do we play? We play here. In between, from this point to this point, we have our profitable situations. Now, can you see the timing of the candle? No, you cannot see. I have to move myself to make you see. Okay. Can you see the timing of that candle? The timing of the candle says 44 minutes is still left for that candle to close. 44 minutes is a too long time to for a candle to do the closing. Okay. Before 44 minutes is a too long time for a candle to close, with one more specific thing, that this candle over here has not made any lower wick has not been made over here. That means a straight up buyer made a call and they did their effort, whatever effort they could make, they made this here. From now on, the seller will try to make a candle should make a lower wick. If you see any candle like this which is not making a lower wick, and you still have plenty of time, 43 minutes you have still have left for this candle to close, so you will wait for a lower wick to form, because this lower wick will give you what? A very good cheap entry to enter in the market, rather than entering at this point. If I enter at this point, I know for very sure in 43 minutes seller will create another lower wick over here. A lower wick, see, lower wick, lower wick, lower wick, lower wick, lower wick, lower wick, lower, a very small but lower, slower, no lower, lower. Generally lower wick will be formed. So if you want a lower wick, if you want to enter in the market, always, if you see such kind of situations into the market, that this candle has not yet made the lower wick and we still have a huge time, 42 minutes is a huge time, okay, for a candle to make a lower wick, that is okay. If the timing is just 5 minutes is left, 2 minutes is left, then you can take a trade without looking at the lower wick, because at that point sellers are inactive. There are no sellers in the market at that point to push it down. 42 minutes we have, so that yes, sellers are there in the market. Sellers are there in the market and we will get more cheaper price to enter. So always in such scenario, what you need to do is calm yourself down rather than rashly entering into whatever market we see. We will wait for it to make a lower wick. Yeah, low wick, we will wait for the low wick to form down. Once that low wick forms down, we enter in the market. Now what price we will, sorry, what trade we will open? Shall we open a short trade, or we will open a long trade? What trade do you think we will open? we will definitely open a buy trade. Why? Because from demand, market travels up to supply, and from supply, market travels down to the demand. So whenever market is started, can you see market has started to travel from demand? From demand, that means it is a buy situation. If you see such kind of situation where the market is at the supply zone and it is going down, that means we have to go for a sell trade, and our target will be what? The demand zone. Simple. Got it? So in this situation, you can clearly see why demand zone is important, because demand zone gives you an option for re-entering in the market. Demand came, market went, supply made. Now this two situation has been made. Demand has been made, a supply has been made. At this point, whenever the market will come down to demand zone, it will try to push back again to the supply zone. And supply zone will make sure to try to push down the market again to the same demand zone, from where this zigzag thing will start to happen. Okay, that demand will throw supply, supply will throw demand, demand will throw supply, supply will throw demand. Until what point? Until the point one of those supply will go wrong, or one of those demand will go wrong, where at the point from where the demand market comes over here and there is no buyers to push the market up, then we will see the market fall down, thus demand will be gone. But to be very frank, to be very fair, demands are used more than at least 2 to 3 times. Demand will push the market up. This is the first time, this is almost the second time. We are entering at the second time. Okay, 39 minutes is still left. We'll wait for the lower wick to form. We'll enter at somewhere this point and we'll keep our target over here. Got it? Now, there are chance for the market to fall down as well. Why? Because of the fair value gap which is sitting over here. This is a fair value gap. Fair value gap means what? A sell side limit order which is not yet placed, not yet executed, might get executed. Might. I'm not saying it will for sure, but might. Let's wait for some time. Let's wait the market at least come to this point. At least the least I need want to enter at this point. Half of the previous candle. That much this candle can come down for sure. Welcome user 334407. Do not forget to tap on the recharge thing. Do not forget to tap on the use the live stream function of deposit and recharge. Do not forget it. Do not. Do not. Let's keep on waiting. Patience is a key for the trading. Patience should be there in the market. Patience should be there to see. Patience is required. User 353445. Who are you? Haven't spoke a single word, but watching me since 3 hours, almost 3 hours you are watching me. It will happen. Okay, it will happen. Have some patience, it will happen. 33, more half an hour. I can find a very good entry at this point.
31 minute is left. 31 minute, 31 minute. Maybe. Wait, let's wait. Because no lower wick has been found. Lower wick should be found. There should not be anything without lower wick. It will come. It will come. It will come down. Just give it some time. Just give it some time. There, bhai. No users. I didn't check. Browsers Loma. YouTube questions I never checked. Sorry. Same for Twitter as well. I never watched Twitter. Let me see Twitter. Rose are high. Hello. Hi, Rose. How are you? Welcome on the live stream. It is 6 minutes.
I wanna see the lower wick. Come on, show me the lower wick. Show me the lower wick. I wanna see the lower wick, lower wick, lower wick. Withdrawal. What you want to ask for withdrawal? Rows are. Can you be specific? You want to know the minimum withdrawal, or do you want to know how to withdraw? I'm happy to help you, Rose. Just be a little specific on your question. You want to know how to withdraw on the Zbit app, or what is the minimum amount of withdraw on the Zbit app? We'll wait 24 minutes. I don't believe that there won't be a lower week on this candle. It's very hard to believe that there will be no lower week on this candle. That should be a low wick. Right now there is no low wick. 24 minutes. I have hopes. I have hopes of lower wick, yes, but definitely for sure, yes. For lower wick, yes, I have hopes. Minimum for USDT, the minimum withdrawal you can have is of 4 USDT. 1 USDT will be taken for the blockchain as a transfer fee, and 3 you will be receiving. Okay, so if you withdraw 4, 1 goes for the transfer fee, and 3 you receive it in your account. Same way, like if you withdraw 5, 1 USDT will be going for the transfer fee, and 4 you will receive in your account. Less than 4 you cannot do. You cannot withdraw 3. You only can withdraw 4 or more than 4, like 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40 lakh, 10 lakh dollar, whatever, million, billion dollar, not less than 4. And $1 is a transaction fees. Okay, understand these things. If you withdraw 4, 1 is used for transaction, 3 is used, 3 you get in your account. Simple. Show me the lower wick. London bridges falling down. Falling. Anything else, Rose? How may I can help you any scenario? Please do tell me. I will do my best to help you, Rose. Focusing on this. Again, my chat is not loaded. Some network issue I always face. My chat gets stuck. I can't see my chat getting updated. It will be stuck in that last thing. Welcome, user. And it went. Only there is one user 353445 who is watching since 3 hours. 20 more minutes to go. 20 more minutes to go. London Bridge. Welcome user 83823596. Welcome on the live stream. Welcome on the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much. 18 minutes left. Still, I am not able to see any lower wick. I want to see a lower wick from this candle. It's like not getting intimated by such kind of candle is one of the good things. Like if it's not showing a lower wick, that doesn't have to mean that you have to enter at the higher price. You should believe on your like your instinct. If you believe, then you believe. That's all. You should believe on your instinct. You should not believe on some other things. Any other things. Welcome user 597720. Welcome on the live stream of zibby.com. I'm trying to find an entry point. I've already marked my point where I want to enter in that coin, enter in that place. Because see, that candle which we are seeing right now is not showing any lower wick. The lower wick has not formed. Every candle forms a lower wick. Very exceptional candle will not form a lower wick. And I don't think so that this is that exceptional candle which won't form a lower wick. So I'm hoping to get entered into the lower wick so that I can go and make my target to the supply zone, small supply zone. Candle is getting bigger and bigger, bigger, the bigger, the bigger, the bigger. Buyers are still active. Buyers are going crazy. They're buying, they're active. That's nice, but not nice at the same point. Nice and not nice at the same point. Big candle formation. Big candle formation. Big candle formation. Big It is started to come down, not too much, but yes, a little it has started to come down. That's what we need to see. Mark, this candle making lower wick chances has dropped from 80% to 60% now. But we still have 30 minutes. Still have 30 minutes. Still no lower wick. Still no lower wick. We are not able to see a lower wick till now point. But make sure that if whenever I'll be leaving in 5 minutes and I'll be leaving in 3 to 4 minutes right now. Okay. So after me going means basically welcome user 699867. Welcome on the live stream of Zibit. I am almost I'll be leaving this live stream and you're entering. So sad, but at the same point, after me leaving, see right now it started to come down, come down, come down, and it will form a lower wick over here. That's the point you enter in the market for going for buy situation. You keep your target where you keep your target at the line of the supply zone. How do you mark a supply zone? This is the green line, green candle, and after that you can see a very huge red candle came. So this green candle's ending point is your target for the supply, buy target. This is your buy target. Welcome user 668740. Welcome user 665518. Why? Every six people came together. Do you talk with each other like, now we have to come together? It's six people's time. And there was three people time, then there will be nine people time. Why don't 6 and 9 come together? Why? See, a very good fall down, a very good fall down, very good. That's what we were expecting from the market. A very good fall down. See, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. And I knew it. Just 10 minutes and half of the candle is already down. Whatever went up, half it's already down. More 10 minutes, I really think a lower wick will be formed. Come on. Like I said to you all people, I know I am always right. It will come down more. This is already eaten up. Now more will be eaten up. Coming back to this point. Let's go. Let's go. More will come down. 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, more will come down. More will come down. See, again a little came. Again a little came. Again. Can you see? Again a fall down. Again a fall down. Buyers had that strength. Now sellers are, before closing the candle, sellers are entering. But see, Like I said to you all people, like I said to you all people, again came down, again came down. Can you see from here? It was looking at such a big candle. Now that's the lower wick which I'm hoping for. This is the lower wick which I was telling you. It will become a red candle. A little. Let it fall down more. Let it fall down more. Let it fall down more. That's not the lower wick. That's not the lower wick. Let it fall down more. 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 You have to fall down more. More. Let's fall down more. This is the line. This is the line. Half of the previous candle, it will definitely fall down to the half of the previous candle. Okay, definitely half of the previous candle it will fall, for very sure. Still 9 minutes left. Let's not make, let's not do yeah, let's not do early entry. Let's enter at when we want to enter. 8 minutes are still left. 8 minutes still left. Fall down to that line, trend line. Okay, so that's my time for today. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Make sure me after me going on the live stream, this line is the point where you will enter in the market. Okay, half of the previous candle, it will definitely come. Still, we have 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. Okay, for this candle to close, it will close somewhere over here, and that is our point to enter in the market. Our target we can keep it at a supply zone over there. But I'll suggest wait for the entry. Wait for the entry because a very good rejection means active sellers are there. The next candle can go more below this line. So wait for those points. Okay. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I will see you guys after 2 days on Friday, 12 to 4 Dubai timing. For 2 days, I won't be here. So best of luck for the trades. Keep keep trading, keep doing deposit, keep doing trading, keep doing deposit. That's the only way you will have and see that money flowing into your account. If any of those things, if you stop depositing and you're just keeping a trade, at one moment the deposit price will like the balance will go down. So the key to earn a good amount of profit is keep depositing, keep doing trade, keep depositing, keep doing trade, keep depositing, keep doing trade. Okay, good. The more you gain confidence, the more you increase the capital. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying that you lose money, you deposit, you lose money. I'm not saying that. The more you gain confidence with the money which you are giving a profit, add more up as a increase the capital and take a bigger trade. Increase capital, take a bigger trade. That's what I'm saying. Okay. So thank you so much for people joining in. Thank you so much for being a part. I will see you guys on Friday, 12 to 4 Dubai timing. Whatever you can check on